itself, the facility itself, and you're safe. I am not talking about the activities of the hospital. That be said, Doctor, I also hear the Juma year, Dr. Morrow. We know, say he's one of the most competent and competent doctors. I producing the Ashanti region and Kumasi. And of course, for that matter, in Ghana.
87.9 Kumasi.
But when your hospital, you see, the facility, danger air posing is what you are talking about. It's helpful for take notice because when somebody can issue licenses long ago. Long ago. Because hospital basically were but currently, near Edebani, it's there. What are you going to do? Say, a castle ye boo near Gunema Bisua, and then my best say, then ye are 10 years be blame I buy say, I buy yard and I buy a say, and I buy a say, and I buy a say, and I buy a say. Meanwhile, there is a core responsibility on us as the citizenry. Methods for Omunyumbi. A charge to give I have. Asudi edamedo. Asudi eda yesu say say na ye Ghana dadwe e de to ye hoso. Ne make sure say enema atimi akoye. Not just abai. Maybe license no baby also wo opetem catch me ne ni hu kobo. 03224-98035 03224-98035 0243-114497 0243-114497. Oba also mpatem mamente unka na yetimi enim komo Paul Amankwa ehwe from Nottingham Forest UK. Saso ena Anthony Alexis Sufi esusu ehwe say your friend no I am called One Ghana, but let me say to you live from our God Kings Palace or I don't know. Yeah. So also bet me a friend 0322498035 0243-114497. Friend, who baby I will put them nema ekoso near addressing no squarely now and from now. Good morning. Yes, sir.
87.9.
What you didn't go for, Pastor? What you didn't go for?
Hello.
Yes, good morning. Pastor, what a minute ago.
Make us a friend, Kwame Mensah, because I think he.
Kwame Mensah, he. Maponia, I didn't cross home, Patem Ho.
That's all electricity. Yeah, there's no more meter. Better months, better not. Okay, if you need a million, and then I need a 90, 1,000, 2,000. You say electricity, those seven, you need to try a bed. The same thing, Madame, my move and I'm moving my.
That's it. Yeah, but that's 0322498035 0243-114497. Hey, Akoma 87.9. Me petem time and Edruno. Ofra na waka petem nyema ekoso ho ne ndele with it farmer. Good morning.
Good morning, Mini.
Yes, sir, Bachuani.
And where that me?
Boss. Good, it's a crown.
Yeah. Maybe
Akoma FM
87.9. Let me say what Dorma. A crown no quite. Bisa MC. Oni Member of Parliament, Honorable Francisca. Says a crown no quite. You see, I'm free. Mamponte Airco. Unu Ekopim Ahunjua. Contractor. I was so. Your mom. Never saying Bisa almost say. Krobo. Efa Ahunju. Efa Sakra no copy. Asurmaso Johnson is one. I also, if you're only a day.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Good morning.
Ajebi born na ho ye de.
Yamia do bibia boko na so e.
Ajama funi kami na sama fume so chipo kokoba.
Ajaba fuma mi too.
Your problem. If it is fume taxi rank, e ba fume sa 24 junction, e kwa akusi pa akoso. Ye kwa ni nyina e basa MC so from pon ne MP Honorable John kuma samon kwem. Na fume sa chipo me kwa de. I problem pa a chance in a human uniform why.
Okay, but it's one more dear mouth. Quick one. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes,
Akoma
what you want?
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Best marking.
Mr.
We don't
Kwame.
have to be able to taxi our unicorn house and so cover anonymity. And now I'm a pastor of fair what Ghana water here in my own neck.
Yes.
Now, I can be said that our money could be due air cassa because a fine moment to be talking about Abra could be due, but not you can say Peter rules for income. Let's say a banner says almost champagne for any money could be next week. Let's say Omoenia, a Iba Dia, or more other issue pipe. Now, I have some combined the other side in your pipe. Into one side, the Penua, Eba, the one or more Macanano, every issue, it is not the day. If they say, why and what's your friend beam, and I want to say, in the children, why not many could do a cata. Now, Omoboa, any a friend say, if for a year now, Muslim boom. Now, could we say, or more a bit issue. Because we can see that this is so combined the whole and now they say the big issue. A banner answer, I want to check your father and never man because a good idea. It is a wine the next phase in the campaign and access to an assemblyman and I want what you really like. That's how
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ebetu one more because Enra Oti near Ghana Water for Kayana. Moabo contractor na still na. Into Ebetu one more Eddie amount. Good morning.
Good morning.
Basho Wani.
Napacho FM James. Naka free city. Nkoko area.
Nkoko.
Napacho.
Eastern region.
Napacho.
Very well. Mami too.
Napacho. Mekasa light for her. Napacho a very kobe busumin sianya. Mo fa light bi amae. Na me from me person bi kon say. On peut faire can do so. Ansa no mo da brea na se. Eba sa do so sa na yin.
Eastern region. Krobe support na wo ka se free.
Napacho ya ahone fe city kasi.
What say?
City kasi.
City.
Ah city.
Okay.
City.
Ena bosume se na bill mae.
Yenye.
Bosume se ni ECG 45 bill bi amae.
Napacho baby amae.
Mo use postpaid meter ni bi.
Napacho you so keep ni dey mo ya mo de be carry
meter na.
Napacho ani kada no.
Ena bosume se ni bill mae. Nti mo twen ya se ebedi be 1 year na. Omo how many months ni apart from 6 months na bill mae.
Yes, I said, I'm going to buy no 6 months in a
Okay. Yeah, it's a bit one more dear. Why? All right. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Baby. Good morning.
Obabeni.
JB Anita, make us from Atunso Gogo Chabatre State.
Anita, Mamito.
JB last year, after last 2 years, it's another Kaya. Polytank. Bi wo polytank factory bi e wo Atonso Gogo eho shi e ma na school bi we che wo krankra school bi we che wo center
yes Mikai.
Yes what is the JB almost start e operate polytank na e wo ho almost start am structure na e shi ye na almost put up the structure again and na almost start na mo ye polytank na wo ho e no nkoda sa China fo bi wo inside ho mo so ye robbers JB, yeah, Sapatre Estate, yes, I do. We start to yacht. I did the yes, me bar around. I make an the ref. Then read the picture. What them saying in rain, so more yeah, Roberts now, so who we are. We live at the core, we release it into the air. I used to see JB, a bed G area has say, as I was said, what the Robert to Gemna Asia, Sentina Eban.
87.9.
A bed G Sapatre Estate has seen now, especially yeah, shoe factory na cheap no me say me te around work akra omo mo ti shoe factory ho na cheap no de ye nya hwene enumre bia o tun so mo shoe sa robbers ni bia na o ma release sa ade no ye nya hwene wo ha sei start efiti enumre be 6:30 to 8 mo ho na start na sa wusie na start na age ha nyina
see
every say so omo wo ti omo
da be na wo notice here
je bia start almost a year.
Almost a year.
But what him said recently, yeah, the after the agents are
Akoma FM.
Every year, say, almost fear so much, and yes, and get what. Sapatre Estate shoe factory, at you one. Enti omo yes our robbers ni wo shoe factory inside ho. Baby emre bi polytank wo hye ye no sa ho na. And omo
na filling station bi so wo no.
I heard the filling station ni has say you. What say ayi Agogo hospital, Agogo South Hospital. Shoe factory ni opposite. Inside the one asa ekofo na titi factories dan na egugu wo China for no. Omo ne Ghana for ni bi adefo na osika na yen kan omasem ni bi no. And omo titi sa factories no. And omo ye polytank my yade amade na hye. Ama school for ya no omo we ti go be kohwe nkola nketo aye to omo fa wo achi. Mo wie ya masa structure ni bi na mo ye polytank no. Eno na akoda China for to say robbers wo ho omo sorry a omo ye robbers ni wie ya the machine for omo pie. No man release smoke into the air. It's a more what has say a bed can. Your health. Yakuma.
I think say a very, very dangerous and serious.
But serious.
Me no ka say your friend mo MC akwanya sajima ne phone doom. But ye ne environmental health for amowo Asukwa municipal so be din komo. Na ya find out exactly what is happening. And I'm also to afa home because smoke no release the time you ran as anopa.
And we are almost releasing because anytime I'm over production area, we almost release the area, almost release the men. I'm saying, well, you are not the JB and remember, but if you want to say, what for me and ye, and I'm after them, so that they can know. JB, oh, me and ye. As I would robber to the Musi, who can me and ye. After them, Penny do on what you crackers as I after the Ghana, one year, she was happy yet, yes, you see a guy that has almost after 7 days.
I see. Ebetu one more ye ne Asukwa municipal health directorate for and as environmental for bedin komo na yenya a better understanding of near ekosu. Yes your friend MC yes akana ye best ye bedin komo. That say good morning.
Good morning JB.
Yes but you when
we dey Godwin Krodu ya dombe wu amesade wadu kumu na no because as an come ya fall into politics. Misad wedru kumobio kumo o kwa adade ase on se o kwa usabinkum su krumi enza bitu aso ye frenu ABA bodu ase asecha wa ku kire ye fre na ade a GBM ya pa ni se sa kru na shemvifi na ye frenu bodu ase no chip compound bi ho getting to be 50 years ni 50 years ni na go so gu nyame ya adomama last year efi ayi ko no ya ba be plaster boso yebi kro nyen sa nyina no obi a won chip compound so as at now yebi ye de na da sushi wonti yesre bodu ase kumon bodu ase nti ye be se onabo adaji ku se so tiemi a Sena also omeboae na yensu bodu ase yensu yentibi enya chip compound ne bi na yenyina ya bre no bi
but betu wana mo dia ma ne adaje kuma kasa bodu ase chip compound. Hello good morning.
Hello good morning.
Yes abacho wani
Amos Mensa papa
fantastic exhaust pipe weather the whole Kumasi bibia boko there
Papa Nyankupa na do ye pa
mami nchi
Papa and somehow adebi hame so offer China mo but the China mo na Papa ora mo company ayu hono China mo hono ma wo se data ke sebi da ho na Papa sebi
that side be
and the fa ho
it was that side
China mo
China mo
hono
87
China mo
ai atonsu
okay
China mo babia data ke sebi ora mo na aya ajanai and the fa ho Kemenye China mo company is a big company.
Yes.
Woman to be a share far home. Let us say the Cotaria no. You can the program, Major Basie. And to be patch out. And yes, a common to see a different one. Now, this a came. And yeah, when you are be the big company, the general so ya home. Papa, I'm going to remember. Assembly members so. Papa, the assembly members most. Mini, pa. Papa, first, community be a sebi kafa. Neka afiche kwai. Na community me lobby ye bibi kakra fa ho. They say the bobo. na yɛ public toilet a wɔwɔ yɛwɔ areas papa ayɛ na sɛbi ɛyɛ adeɛ ɛyɛ dangerous papa awia sɛ kɔ public toilet bia a ɛwɔ assembly moment toilet na ɛwɔ wɔ hɔ ba ɔba wɔ ɛmoa bi a wɔn piepie firi hɔ ba wɔn bɛ wɔn hɔ no
ɛwɔ yi fa
papa baako bɛ 32 mɛtuma mo bɔ ne nyinaa din
bobɔ mami
papa ɔkɔ mampɔnten a baako wɔ hɔ ɛɛhu paa yɛhyɛ da si baako ɛɛpɛ paa ɛno no yɛ ne boɔ wɔ soro ɔbi wɔ hɔ bɛkɔ ne saa sika no ɛnsoro ɔsɛ 1 cedi na ɛyɛ sɛ ɔkɔ 1 cedi deɛ no so papa oduru hɔ wie a ɛmu ne nam ɔnan ho saa ɔkɔ de kyɛm sɛ ebi wɔ hɔ baako afɛ paa baako soso sɛbi papa owura hɔ wie a ɛmu ne nam ɔnan ho wɔn a wode ɔpa awura hɔ wie a na wɔtu w'ani wode ɔdasebɛ hɔ no ɔbɛtu w'ani no na mmoa ne pie firi inside na wɔn ba abɔnten kɔ abia kɔ the same thing baako ano kɔ na very dangerous ɔkɔ aboabo akwam hɔ no ɛyɛ dangerous awuraka junction ɛyɛ dangerous papa kano so ɛyɛ dangerous papa ka abɔkɔm ɔnsa abɔkɔm de kɔ sɛ de bɔɔla bi si hɔ baako ɔsɛ paa baako yɛ big dangerous wode awia ɛna saa problem sɛ yɛfɛ si wokoto hɔ na mmɔne nam ɔnan hɔ papa woba kenya ase ha yia ebi wɔ hɔ papa emisi baako 32 na makɔ
87.9
Kumasi na baabi yɛ bi wokura sɛ bi kasa sɛ from baako ɔsɛ paa baako yɛ dangerous paa enti saa nneɛma no menim yɛnti a ɔmo yɛ saa wokɔduru a yɛde baako bɛgye 2 cedi baako yɛ 1 cedi enti 1 cedi deɛ no yɛnyɛ ho hwee ɛno so na ɛdɔm no kɔ so enti mɛsɛ asame no mamɛs no ɔma da woro ma te sɛ business no abam ɛnyɛ deɛ toilet yɛ sika paa nanso ɔmo de no nyima mɛsrɛ ɔmɔ ɛnsɛm ha
alright ebo se betu ana mo edi ama but ma me nko kejetia na mindi nkomo we ewo kejetia kweku ana yes asumra na ye betako another interesting issues over the months kejetia ehun sensem the new kejetia ehun sensem abibre ba ko eyomo bill asem mita sensem ya ehun pagya ya petre sampa ya tu hwana mo bia ena kejetia efa baabi susu ehye yeguso yedi won komo a still na kejeti omo bill aba no nya asem ketwa ba me nkoda me ne omo president eni komo dwadifo federation president eni komo nana prempre ewa homa no so nana ma che e makwa ba akoma 87.9 bibi aboko de
Kumasi
onia JB pacho mejewo so awada bibi aboko na mechiao na mechia yetiefo nyina anopai
obi aje so now the last time Kofi Asante mu dey komo edifa kejetia ho just about Monday or Tuesday ya mo bi ono ho asem no akwakosi sen
wala JB me da se kano na no bnada eni Kofi Asante ejin komo na eno ya abra ejadifo ya de kata akoma management ewo ya na montu a ye pese yetu o ye kire ana montu a na ye pese yetu na ye ka se ye bedi kan amomo ahyenso de bia hu se ya na mo na ye pese yetu no ye de bresem eti free brother no bepema no pay ya me ne wo ka sei kedetia enye obi amu idie na so oba ho no mo a ye di kojan abobɔ mi abebre eno ye enkrato a ye to edi ama management no na ye yagen se na me adoma adwada e ye nhihye ya ne aye nim no se ne ka se management no emwa ye no ye yagen se adwada ye beto so management na ntu o mu hu punuma nke ye ne beto punuma ma wo mo e so mu dwumadie na
mo kwa kototo management for purumu
Yebi kata na yede koma o mi kire mu saa fe management no wo se omo sum dwadifo eti sa ba de drum pempenso bi na edwadifo hu se omo dwumade na eso na omo sum dwadifo no enya de edwadifo ani gi ho na se ebu edwadifo a ni esusu se esese dwada no ko mututu punu na bra omo mba adwuma na so man tutu mu na nke enya ya akotutu mu ama wo mo na yɛyɛ no dwada no a na nka no mu fiada yɛn nyinaa yɛde difoɔ no yɛahyia na nka yɛtu yɛn ho fo na nka yɛayɛ sit down strike ansa na ebi wɔ na nka yɛyɛ sit down strike no nyinaa na yɛde krataa akɔma polisi mpanyinfoɔ a yɛde bɛgye permit yɛyi polisifoɔ asotire na nka yɛde ayɛ ɔyɛ kyerɛkyerɛkyerɛkyerɛ na ɛberɛ a krataa no ɛbɛtɔ abɔnten yɛdidi ho nkɔmmɔ no ɛnura da dua yi ɛberɛ na anɔpa bɛyɛ du baako abɔ no Kumasi Kuropɔn mayor era Sampan ɛto nsa frɛ adwadifoɔ mpanyinfoɔ ɛna managing director ɔda Kumasi city market ano era Edmond Kofidofoɔ na era Sampan ɔne ne coordinating director ɛne na estate manager ɛne yɛ n'ehyiaeɛ na ɔsɛ ne nsa aka yɛ krataa ne bi deɛ wɔte sɛ yɛka ho asɛm wɔ mframma mu deɛ na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔte firi ano nti yɛne ɔmo yɛ meeting yɛkyerɛkyerɛ yɛn nsɛm mu yɛma ɔmo mu yɛgyinaeɛ na yɛwura Sampan ɛma yɛte aseɛ sɛ ɔn sɛ la jebi management ne krataa no yie krataa no ɔmo de brɛɛ no ɔmo ka asɛm kɛ ne da dua yi deɛ nsuo no bɛflow but ɛnura yɛne yɛwura Sampan mu kɔhyiaeɛ no ɔma me ate aseɛ sɛ nneɛma nnan a yɛbisa committee report no ɛna meters no ho asɛm no deɛ ɔse ɛnɛ da dua yi ɔkɔ nkran ɛnura nwummerɛ no ɛtiɛfa committee report no
ɔkɔ nkran ɛnura nwummerɛ
mepaatan
I see
ɔkɔ nkran ɛnura nwummerɛ no ɔkɔdi dwumadie bi na yɛn nsɛm na yɛde abɛtu dwa no one ɛfa committee ne report no deɛ ɔbɛkɔ local government minister hɔ na wakɔbisa ho asɛm ɛfa mita ne deɛ no nso no yɛma no ntwada ɔbɛma yɛn ho emuayɛ nsuo no nso deɛ no nyame yɛ adoma yɛhwɛ sɛ efiri adwada ɛkɔ no yɛbɛhu sɛ nsuo no ahyɛ aseɛ etie deɛ ɛtɔ so nan ɛyɛ light bills a yɛn leaders no yɛkɔhwɛ ɛma wɔn mo kyɛ ba yɛn sɛ deɛ ɛyɛ print out deɛ ɔmo print de ma yɛn nneɛma adwadifoɔ no ebi wɔn ma deɛ ɛsɛ sɛ yɛde ma no no bɛhu sɛ wobɛgye ne krataa n'ahwɛ so no na boro deɛ ɛsɛ sɛ yɛde ma no no so no ɔsɛ no deɛ yɛne management no mɛtena ase because yɛn request management no so ɔmo ma yɛn print out because jebi ebi to aba sɛ last month na library 1.34 cedis saa 34 cedis no sɛ mewɔ 5 points a ɛsɛ sɛ me bill for the month ɛyɛ bi 170 cedis but obi wɔ ma ɔde ne bill bɛba arrest nka ho na ɔmo paper no yɛ no ɔmo twerɛ so previous balance but obi wɔ ma the current month no na ne bill no ɛbaayɛ no instead of 5 points ebi ɛbɛma no 170 no ɔde ne paper no bɛba bɛkyerɛw no obi wɔ bi a na yɛ 184 it means sɛ ɔmo ma no more points than the ɛsɛ sɛ otua but ɛno deɛ ɔka kyerɛ yɛn sɛ yɛne management no mɛtena ase nti yɛhwɛ sɛ nnɛ da yi yɛwura Kofidofoɔ ne management no ɔmo bɛma yɛ that print out no ne yɛhunu sɛ so bills no a yɛkyɛ no ɛno a na ɔmo de kɔma adwadifoɔ anaa
na wei na no yɛne yɛwura dofoɔ kasa wɔ ha no mu se ɔse bill na kasa no management nkɔfoɔ tu pɛ ɛna representative ɔmo aka ne nyinaa yɛ moa na mo kyɛ bill no eti sɛ bill no ho wɔ nsɛm a ada na mo ana mo mble mu ho
so JB deɛ ɛteɛ ne sɛ ɔn sɛ yana bi ɛyɛ nyanma ma produce area official bill no ɛna the number of points a yana ewo edwanim mo on paper so deɛ mo bɛkyɛ wie but yɛ ɔmo print bi akɔ abɔnten no hɔ na yana asɛm ne wɔ but ɔsɛ ɔmo bi ayɛ free ba no sɛ mo nyinaa mo akɔ akɔhwɛ mo hu sɛ ebi last month ɛyɛ 776,000 ebi total points ɛwɔ dwo no mu yɛ 22,000 eti mo cha 1 point ɛyɛ 33.90 pesos ɛne ti ha ne running up ɛyɛ 34 cedis 34 cedis no sɛ JB ɛyi 5 points a 87.9 cedis times 5 ɛyɛ 170 Ghana. Wona wu jadini na wu kwahwe ye ne de wo say 170 Ghana you be over 5 points but krata ne be kwa akodi unua jadini ni nsem no I saw over 5 points, no. Instead of 170, no. Not print out now, Quabon, 180, 195. If you want the Momo Quater, you know, and then only I printed the abro, mere prempe, if you are to me.
Oh, I see.
Make me a case study, and I'm in my mail who sent me a case study. Me use 6 points, I want me shop.
Akoma FM
6 points, you know.
87.9 Kumasi.
Ideally, Sika SSN Keba,
87.9
204 for the 6 points. But bill for the month in the buy, you know, instead of 204, no, not a brew 204, not 234. The two who say there is an increment of 3 10 city, one man, beyond man, they print out there is an increment of 3 city. It would multiply fair. The number of shops are built no and if I don't build no come now so be where the increment of 5 city, where the increment of 6 city, multiply the number of people.
I see.
Oh,
I see.
I know I request so Omoma and
87.9 Kumasi.
But the 3 other issues in India, one me at by Monday, if you can buy Obama and Wire. Now the India, yes, and say, yeah, the man also are aware, say, Yamaya whole timeline. But on no time now, or the Amayano, before your dead deadline. Okay, your dead deadline, no, by on the 12th, 13th.
Yes.
And on also the before your deadline day, no. Before your deadline day, you do no. Now a bono machine, your programs are coming and you're activated.
Oh, I see. Not just enye bosume ba ko asem enye bosume mienu asem
87.9 Kumasi.
But I see sir.
Yes, there are several complaints like I know should make us me kura me case study. Dina me kwatena hu bi me case study. Me come on renti. If I don't say kura na ye aware say within this period where you not for sure ba ko na me 2 city and 3 city. But omo me conscious about it no.
I see. Na no money management edi can't na say resolve that particular issue na sana money can resolve bi da na
I mean the official petition say that can ho. Okay. They are complaining. Also issue bi ya raise bi na ya dia kan one time that I am Yeah.
My second question na baby a ehye ye wo KGT a almost start ye ho no adwuma na.
Eno na yera campaign ka chere say obeko local government ministry offices and need the due. If by Monday no obeko your response.
Oko local government ministry enra.
Ene no
it's your response.
By Monday, no, on your day, I know I'm going to the roadmap.
87.9.
It's for now, the dream be a young course.
Me pass your baby.
I see. Interesting. All right. Your friend don't see how to see now. Yamia dum na so koba ejuada ebetu one amon na ye de hu komo ye pa. Na ntimo pipe ne de still na ema.
Pipe no mo some management in my but almost Monday. What I need to flow. It's Monday so yeah.
For now, washrooms I war KJT and as for 9 year jumana. Very well. 87.9 back on the line. Na we are twice so hard. Also bet me do the aba. When patem also bet me do the aba 0322249835. 0243114497. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, but you any?
Yeah. You could fiam petia. Men no am free at Akoma.
Yes.
Name say. And then mama Akoma man penning for a deep na action. Me say bibi ko so in persuasion. And say fata. If a plea to be free as in my name, ya someone working in a Yatokrana of the Quacky.
Oh, I
said, dear Elco swore. Yen persuasion in Ano, one TB. When young formation, there be all to catch a police station, feeling in Ano, police station, police station e wan petia ene heman da ku police station ni wo na de ena no tama ya sa friend say yesremu o mo matisi o matoto plot wo yesantase e free santase chi wo a place my me ampetia o mo yesremu o mo ntimi mesi ya o mo ntimi no so no eni gye ne on ba se pa yesremu akronfo haye o mantem ho
na se edra ye no disi kasa no se obetu ho anamo anim ya weekend ya oba betu ho anamo na bibia wo ho bia watumi ahwe no wa resolve di amamo
ye disi wati bofo de kade ti yakura na ye ka se bibia wo ho no kade ti yakura no a wate ko sen ku tuka
this is ni na ekosuya ne eko conference nti this is ni na ni krum ha
ni ram ye da wase
Ghana this is ni na we na conference wo
ekosuya ne yesram munna mun ko mun tedma de ekosun ekobe
Akoma FM 87.
Enra minya call after say ye program minya call from one residence ni bi omo ho no mo na omo che say ye very very dangerous pa that the way we see kind of crowd na say oh kasa crowd the asem no na the way sit here na very dangerous pa na where's na mo so mo kro no ho no mo se munim omo
Libra ya no normally obi kasi obi ni obi a ebi o ma aya akesen wuntimi rescue obi a wono yakata ebi a wi ni huhu onya wo be bibi put the case ben ekobo no so yakata yi ni huhu ko ti mantemo enti ye the case ben ekobo na police faction no kwa case ben ya debo no na ni huhu enti yesere umo matoto proto munsi ye yesa ye ne ahemfo ne de kabu ama proto da be bi ye bi be to mani powerful na de yakofie ntroma ye metoto ye ma na mum na ebe die mi ama magwansa na obi plot abeto ato 20 years 30 years tekro na develop yesramo wa mato plot no wuntimi kura de beto obi ma kuro na ba na committee for no hwe plot na sma man for de masisi amuntine en krusu windows abepo na emrante ne se wo ye de mama en kaka yewu wa ha de bia ye ti aka foforo na ye ene ya foforo si
ene ya robbery foforo asa akoso
ene ya ya mi ni papa ko
na esi wo he robbery ni si wo he
e wo kokobri ni side ampetia no kokobri ni side
ampetia kokobri ni side yesa ko robo nkofo
ene ya mo
abofa da ne den
Omabula said in America, Omabla will be dark offer the whole TV aboho.
Hey! Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Yes, sir. The of course
TV flash screen and answer to Kopoibia.
Flash screen is here, pa.
TV no kwa mo fire.
TV no kwa na mo fire. Say na mo break you ho kwa na mutimi for ye.
Crofon TV I say.
Why yes, sir mo. The of course na check COVID mirror. Yewu ende die ni amba se kwa so
enra ye ka asem ya ne ya robbery foforo akoso kokko betia ye ko wi obi TV
ene ya yestramo de akoso wo hodo mo no ene nyan
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
be ma me be fon wlam no wakoda ezo bi akwa se wo bo ne ho ban ko ni fi na wo ko bo ne ho ban na wo ba na o sha dani asema ma the Nyamidi Sre at Makwa Mampany for the enemy. The Ecos one and midnight. The Nyamidi Sre for the Kuyanim.
Na assembly member anyway.
Panabujan Safo.
My mefa number women I found the number and test me. Na me friend why?
Matia.
Dinaso na your picking number no
87.9 Kumasi.
All right, so Akoma 87.7. But you go back to Kenya na ye nim komo ye rezi na prampre kasa na Kumasi City Traders Union Secretary. Kwakwadu Jemfi esusa fresi mu se o wasem ka wo ho. Kwakwadu Jemfi bibia boko de na ekoso e wo Kenya ho no.
Nyame adom niwura mejoso woni waduma efo no watifo enyina. Meda wato emi akonanda mo je amame ebi kan Lucia Asante Mayura, Namaka Asante, Hima. na yebi ni tie ensemo a ekoso na obia elite Peter nsemo eye ade a jedini bia wo Kumasi 6 months ejan edano Akoma so ya yina empa abo ene se empanifo betima fa konese nyina so na yensa etumi aka mita an nanso yehu se yemu nipa ni dia wo mo ewo edwanum ekwan a wo mo efaso na wo mo de ye wo mo ma ewo ensensena no enye ade a yefo aso yeda ekonya ne ya yedi ko dan abobo Kumasi edwan enyina ho se de obi akọ boso bi so ana wakọ sofu bi honom na wama no akwankyere se won fa ko dan na mo bo saa edwan ho eno na ebetumi aboa ama mitese no yedi aba nyami animi sa ade no eye ade a edi enya pa wo ye sa ade no ade ene se eno ne ekwampa wo mo ebefa so ama mita no yensa ebetumi aka ne ensemo a ene ye ka kire wo mo se approach a wo mo efa so ede epre ama ededifo no edu baabi a ewo sunsun aso bone ene se obi etwam ewo edwan eho ana wo egusa asembe ene asie ade nipa wu ene ewu ewo edwom ehanom tanya menema wo se enyina no eske ededifo do no a wo mo te pese wo mo ewura edwenu eba di edwa ewo saa enema no ho na de ye egusa ene se na prempe ene ne apanfo ye beto wo mo nka na eye radio so na wo mo abetina radio so na wo mo eka ye beyewe but tiri se wo se wo mai entise bi a wo eba abeye ye edikan na wo mo de saa ko gyan abobo sa edwa no na mo emu se ne se edwadifu a ewo edwanu mu no adwene be na wo mo ne wo mo afa esusie ben na wo mo ne wo mo aya enti a wo mo edina so abetina radio so enka yenim se bibi se ya mo se mo ya akandifu a edwadifu no ano no ewo edwa no emu no mo di kan ama mo nsam akofom ama edwadifu nyina ate die mo pese mo eye na akoba se mo nipa kakra bi uko na mo se baabi na die mo a mo pese mo eye adwena ho na so mo de betina radio so na mo de eka ye edwanu no na pempe mo ete nne ete enya de obi a to ade mo ti wo mo ese se no wo mo aye no bi se wo mo ni edwadifu a ewo edwanu mu no anti ase anyi bibia ho ya ye ba abe sorry me pese wo mo ehunu se de wo mo aye no they are being mysterious na wo mo aye no ye losa mo ataki ewo edwadifu no mo a se wo mo wa agiving pa wo mo ntimi ni edwadifu no entrance enwe ho no na wo mo afata akwanya we so eye bibia atrese wo mo bibi na wo mo edi aboa edwadifu no ewo sa mita no eho menim se empanifo bibi eye asabamu ya echi wo mo esan ewo sa enema no eho a eye ekita hudie na sesei mo a mo se mo da edwadifu ano na mo ye tenants ewo edwanu emu mo ko akọ mo chei efie wura no enti ya ka tena na pepere na pamfo se ko dano wo mo de abubo edwanu ho no wo mo titi saa ko dwanu nyina enfiri ho enti se ensebu any good purpose
enye kejetia puntuo ene kejetia yedie na mu nyina mo pe
pa ye pe no wo se wo adwini bi a wo mtena radio na waka wo adwene no wo se wo ni wo mo a wo na wo se odi wo mo ano no wo ni wo mo adwene ho
does it mean say onjintum and recognize positions are mo akasa da mo di yi omo mo recognize those positions
one yi wo mo busa na pese one yi no
but on several occasions I remember say me no what na studio had mo akasa say leader on several occasions and sa say mo ya ba bonten na prepare omo to aba edi yi no Emma Okuta no omo court kra na man no that's easy and a man that certificate is recognized. So if there is any other a year, I don't know bringing it up.
Jebiti unim dynamics a ewo edwanu na prempe eko ebina woda ano na easy eko supervisor ye eto aba ema no se woda sa eko no ano. Now, if we are talking about the entirety,
good. Say, I didn't play a row ewo KJT market ni mu a. What is the issue?
We are not saying that as my mechanic here, menka Emma on play role, but the approach our the airplane role. Was some and no working. As about what now working, work as a judge before a worker get here in now. That's a means to me a judge. Now, that's a what the women may end home, won't be beer and climate. Now, we have a Kasa I don't know, son. We are talking about the entirety of the trader population here about KJTS. You cannot can talk for a portion of the poor, yeah, or no, if we say that war, and we are not, I am not saying, say, not someone work here for meter on, said any idea, and yet, as my maker said, what can be for KJTS and Puntua in the quarter war eka. As my maker and said, a coin out of us approach, you know, said about ye, and I can win me at nothing. You know, home, and the yet see
in your capacity as what?
Me say, and now, Miss that
also there could be a
Miss that from Biano.
Okay.
It is a who say, who Kasama, Kajita, a judge for any now. Yeah, Muko Ekano Ebi, not dear woo Ekano, Minty, not Mitiana or radio, so now Eka. If she were a system. Send away the account of someone with your Pierre Abontia. Send a wood, sorry, I will do it. Bianca, what one may address one, and Commission said, Kodana, a general in Ya, Mamma, young answer, and we never start fine, you say so. Sabi, I didn't, any back for and yes, so any back for. Sana Mammy Eka. Me post
one I said abandon one more than our problem wo.
Me hawa be wo and say what better radio say wo kasa ma ke tie agedifo nyina na me say wo also wo ti ate na agedifo so e wo eganum so nyina enim say enye agedifo nyina ne na na prempe e ka no enye agedifo nyina adwene na prempe e ka no enti na adwene no a wo nu say sa na wo e fa so e bi aye ni djuma no enye ade a agedifo nyina so e fo so sa.
All right, Mate, you're getting another prempe back on the line, but concerns well raised. It's yes, I can't be friend now. Say, we know from so Eginaso, not a dear or better personal or the Asia, maybe a mano. You know, yes, Mitano, yes, I better again, young for a papa so, yeah, said it, a toss na practical but remember you fire fire they seeking for your personal interest. Very well. Mefro na you do komo
87.9 Kumasi.
Very well. Akoma 87.9. Very very interesting. Now can you see for boso betumi afre ye wi abekọ patre na yakodi komo ho no ye the municipal health directorate ebedi komo. Good morning.
Good morning, Minian.
Yes, but you're waiting.
You are from a former assemblyman. He wants on the Friday. You are from a big commercial, original big commercial.
Mammy, too.
You wait a patch. Say, a Francis, my yakwan. Ya Tomuswa, Ben, Fibay, during the Quanis are practically as a camp for Kamba. In Sotocrati of Pubu, can't do for Kran and send a channel for Bipaya or or would it be able to my fill up? But Matisse, a barber, yes, and the ambassador. ADC Oraku Edu on the MP, ADC Sunday APC. Yes, you whom Puntia be a Yan Quabre. I who tell you, Papa, particularly a coin out to me far from to be peer a boho, Quana practicing, yet accept. Yes, I'm Bremen, you know, you can't watch my Buzuka class, and I will see on Satabu never because a document a quano and yet. To match the first, I a quan what a million, Monfre. The MP near this near Mutasa Gabena contract and no MP just somewhere money no Oraku Edu. Yabati Minister for
FM 87.9.
Yeah, you don't know.
Very well. Me too one about the amount. Why? Oreku. Good morning.
Baby.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Can you tell us Johnny?
Can you tell us Johnny about offering baby?
Sisi a mo hono mo start ehun bansem biem.
KGT ade said that I can say I said some ampomo arewano. If you are a home sense and so be Udamona Iro Hong Linia of Frecasa is here. Maybe Safe, KGT. Also, not prempe it could be Chama and no one. I said, we take it. Now, maybe not the thing called Salman say. Also, also the could be an on pay and what down will take it here. Yeah, KGT petty days as we can, you pay 2,283 and your Kotuaba. A demand and not prempen a pound for KGT as a winning and him. A very fool in that KGT as a say, Papa, at the Kosono. Abuaye. Ena KGT almost a kind of other form could be a friend to this year and also a president. And he said, and you may be close to a KGT owners and ya. Now, not preempting you pass or the cana. Mika Samana Yakano. You say, Mika, no, a package and you don't make a new DNA Mika. I'll put the moon in an everyone. It's in a bonnet and you say, almost a demonstration, another demonstration, things up for KGT. And you know, all say, and all my command is yes, let danger another day if you want them. Oh, can you my ways in them? But
Mobana Banianka, also I do for the Beba.
Baby, and then I'm a person Busana say, a Kuban or down or KGT because me a Kuna no Punano. Woman, a couple more, one more effort, woman, I had no KGT, and you got a whole demonstration KGT, yeah. If it's in that, yeah, over a year over some time, whatever one more Monday. What I say, the engineer and Busan said, a poor bed was down the poor in the same, a poor Malcolm 11 and a KGT. And a poor petty citizen and not them that they can't. And that's the business, I mean, the onset.
I said the Quanidine, the Kumasi City Traders Union.
Almost say the fine, I can't almost say the everywhere. Yes, the Sanama also about the Sanama.
What be so called in my body? I was say,
make it here in the Kua, yea, answer, you recognize in the Kua, who would you work at here? If you would say, what in the town, but I don't know what is that will work at here. Yes, will be your propaganda, your propaganda. Me, I did be a possible to the young, I cannot prevent everything. Now, millions of Afra way, but any man on a meter, some say, you are for mobile to work at here. I don't know. Yeah, over the meter, and then in front of you, one more idea, one more so baby. No more city, air force will take it another say, you're not ready for the end of the day, you also take it here, and your management never will take it here. You're the body anything. Woman, your propaganda, and almost
87.9 Kumasi.
I take it here, Wilson, but I know you have for a new year to get here. Ghana ya bata wuzura mu ajebi KGT ya meko KGT ya America fete abobo ya ma nekwe ne ka fete nyina ka KGT ya nse maka abata na kwa ho ame menye buja ade wo mo hwe wa KGT ya wodo mu a ade e beti KGT ya wodo ya ka se KGT ya peti tede se ka se ya ke wo KGT ya wodo mu a ye bi obi abeganya bi KGT ya obi abeganya bi ko so ka ye kula ne KGT ya abonte so no enya sam ketwa. You propaganda be a conform in the say, baby, we can say, what in the year that was it, which I know,
87.9 Kumasi.
All right, the matter is becoming very, very hot and intense, dangerous. Now, in some few minutes, another explosive and dangerous voice be asate Ebuboba, leak tape be asate Buboba. Now, and then medical catch us on Friday. Na and Friday no mention that say me be hard me brave. Oh, aha. Na bi wonu mo na actually din na fe ye hu anamo ebetumi atu afa ho na ya hwe ba bia ebetumi di afa. Medical catch us on Friday. Voice note number no 0591 95 6661. Voice note number 0591. Okuja fato boardroom na screen is no more mo hwe bi entimi efambra 0591 95 6661. Na ultimately the voice note dey about 30 seconds. Mr. Send voice note 30 seconds. Brand new kobo. Hello, good morning.
Captain JB.
Fantastic. Bibia boko.
Boko, my job to forgive.
I mean to you.
Michelle, I'm the nano make a send for a book from Zungo. Mukase, Mubadi one.
87.9
Young who is a better more than a Mundi Wajuma. Now, Bokum Zungo had a name and Kakumasu who, a Kakumasu who, you name the Seramu Devi, Mundi Wajuma, mammy, and I know the number, mammy, and mammy Frel. Say, and see, young who she just say,
report on the Baho more in there. Now, we get all the necessary facts in Nadia May. Why?
Mati, Mundi Wajuma, Micha, and Minia Bakuman, heavy D. Ana Alaji Martin, Omonfa, Akoma FM, Amia TV, and Niagro.
That's it. Good morning.
FM 87.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, David.
Yes, what's your name?
Kojanti boys, I'm going to take a voice here.
Kojanti boss, ya kotafwasi.
Ah, David.
Ada oda hobiana.
Oh, David. And then I'm yellow.
And then I also.
David, I'm there. Stop for the panel. Baby, you never go fair, no, I say, a pancho, and a column. Baby, and then, I don't go to one day. And never, the man is going to make go foul. Baby, I'm planning to the battle. The man is going to do almost what the woman, papa. Oh, you are you. This year, and so fair. I do go. He said, go. Oh, you are in better mood. I don't know I don't say I give you is a win if you are. Omuntuaba. Omani day I give no papa. Baby. Bye bye, Juma.
That's it. That's it. Now, so yeah, na kwacha patra na yefre municipal health directorate na yene ni nkobo. Na you find out exactly what is happening. Watch patra around the shoe factory honomo. And Yama air coso ewo krubhano musi. Very, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous and scary. Now it is becoming more dangerous than ever. Because Chapatre and then as enclave for no more Yama air coso as a China phobia baby factory or na a dry you would to me air home. Mo friend Muhodi or Namu send a voice to Famra Naminya da Jamo Mamu. Because on Friday, BBA to me see, and Friday, just a BBA bet me a see. BBA a bit to me a see. It's Bomodi answer, Obe send a voice note, Eddie Abba. Now, my main come for Mount, sir, Provident Healthcare, say, and I don't pay, or more year screening. Screening din pa, screening no, almost started the da. And then from 1st of September, Echo copying the 31st of this month, screening no air coso. Enti bomodi aso be kwase wase opposite St. Teresa Catholic Church na osusu kohwe oni peduem say ye scan ahodo say ye labs ahodo ne opa bia omeye e dia mawo e free of charge nemom edro kakra de nasefo de ma kakra bi wo no mo obetua ka eno ehye da nye gidigidi bia sa aha enti bomodi aso obe kohodo mo omo asewase opposite St. Teresa Catholic Church e hodo mo eno mo doctor na bie apono de atum 0248 42 28 64 0248 42 28 64 and 0506 83 02 10. Now on a Provident Healthcare for any come. Mame kwa maso na mene Asokwa Municipal Health Director. Any come ye mame fosti ewa homano so. Mame fosti machi emu akwaba. E de ba na midin the JB bibia bokọ de. There is a growing issue be a war estate.
Okay.
Obi na frey, I mean residents ni be na a phrase here or boy man say China for baby am factory or rubber factory be or no na
rubber factory.
Yes. Produce
exactly.
Chepatre estate baby around the shoe factory hono area.
Okay.
Yes. Na omu bie omu product omu yomu production as omu bie waste na omu timi ehome kra. Very 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 dangerous. Emma omu pollute the air pa nyasem kitwa. Are you aware?
I'm not aware. My predecessor also did not inform me. You see, so I'm going to meet my team. We'll go there and do inspection.
in case of anything, ebe catch them. The name and call for no environmental health officers and the team members. No, we have to go there and inspect. So whatever comes out, you must want active. I'm not aware.
Na baby na shoe factory no ho na ehye no. Aha. Na omo so mu bio mo.
Ehwa na wo.
O say
baby a ho hye na ehwa na wo.
Ai ho no around ho no na omo rubber factory ni susu.
87.9.
Okay.
Na omo bio mo waste na. Anopa awia ene anwumre de che se omo tumi home kra.
Ache.
Oh, enre ya kra so omo ye bi kra ma che se omo obi akata na hwene a hyehyɛ nose obi kra hye nose mask by for kra de boss.
Hey. No serious.
Very dangerous. Very dangerous.
Okay.
But as some you aware say there's a rubber factory be around.
Me I'm aware say there are some people working there, but I don't know. We name say a rubber factory. We name to say omo waste no to air. And also we name say I will get in touch. I'm going to meet my team members.
Very well.
Whatever comes out, no, we will come there.
Akoma nti ye bibia na yesu etu ho na mo ye. Da be na abekọ ho, da be na yes aso frɛ onya feedback.
Hopefully next week.
Next week da be Tuesday.
Yes.
Very well. Until Tuesday I will come back to you again.
Okay. We are even closer to you, so our office is closer to you.
Very well.
So I can also come to your office.
You have my number, so let me know.
Okay.
Very well. But that's
thank you.
Chapatra estate for be assured. Say Nyame Aduma Tuesday. Asokwa Municipal Health Director, Yemami Fosti, also beba ho. On the team, about be inspection. Na China for omayo mutrimi se mefe no. Mo yes anema no ina no. Oba be inspection say if it is due, say some of your adwuma na say be a relocation, whatever it is, recommendation and report be mo de be bia no. Yebehu na yeso ya ascertain that very particular fact. Ewo ha no mu say na also to me enya value for your discussion. Good morning. Yes, sir.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Hello. Morning. Nyame adum na also e.
Hello.
Achimampo ni ifa poti.
There's a better to be the one.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Very better response every honomo. Na mame fa be three course ka ho ba bia upatem wo ba bia upatem ho no ba bia wo a ne ekoso ho bia mame nte ka na yentumi entu wana mo medical catch your voice note number no 0591 95 6661 0591 95 6661 number no fra me ntimi fa me kuta phone obi fra me sisia me ntimi fa me na me ka se me ntimi fa it is a voice note you better voice note no ne ya respond appropriately you be boss so dia mamo wadaroma ntimi sro mo am friend number no munyai na mo send voice note famra na yetimi eni nkomo. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Minister.
Mbacho hweni.
Me pacho me dey am kasa free
my ponti side be na kasa free.
My ponti e kumwa.
Okay, mami to you.
Because you almost see the view. You don't move some go. If you do see you almost mean no hoka crampo. And it could pass a whole United Kusu.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
There was someone go. Master Mono.
Say, me too wana more the amount. I mean, hano more the. Unya de wasemo ba. Just say be ana asem no nye that. But there is serious on dia. Trust Akoma FM. Just trust us. You be here what you might the amount. Now Swenya ahu anu ye. Good morning.
Hello.
Yes, good morning. Pacho man so come na do what
Good morning, Akoma.
Nyame adom na so e.
Maybe I think something like now.
Ah.
Enye aduma. Ayi ba ko pe. Na obedu na so red. Enye aduma o. Na to so
Akoma FM 87.9
regional. Ataka na na here she afani last time I'm sure that you go over that so ya kwa. Omuti izunu anu no me ya zi. Ama ipo just anti bitane no kisu ke anande. No kisu no ya so juma ka chen so kisu. No and so far that hope. Ama say you take na dia akati to na fanu
But yene everybody when we didn't and you were suffering. Good morning. Okay, so over to me do the aba. Makacho say number no voice note number no. Owo bibia say video bi na wa fa send yen. Owo voice note fa send yen. So far my who say voice note be more than 60. E wo ha no mo say. Me kuta phone ni sisi ama who say number be 0246260412 FM. Me fa. I can answer your call. Send a voice note. Send a voice note to bar. Ako hini betie. Na wa responde. Ni yabo e di amount. But I fra. Me fa. Me kuta phone is here. I am a personal number. Na me da. Me fa. Say ya my phone as person friend me dia fine. I will listen to you. Me no be din komo. Yes, one friend there me no be din komo. But for now, Mr. Your voice note number. Send a voice note our WhatsApp. Na me ye din komo. Oh video bi afaka ho. Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
I just tired of you.
I remind me too.
I never know what to so on fire and they have me. Number one, my friend, more than 7 times.
And I want so Friday no be sujina so.
Okay, I mean, Challenge, I mean, Challenge to your copy for me, Channel. I was there, Obi the car say, Oko, private, if said, Oko toilet Libya, I must miss the car. I do was about drugstore. Yeah, some man, the basic come my, no, but could be all more. And tin time, toilet, in tin time, Chrome, no be at tin time, got to say, but idea, and yet, now so toilet, I was so we say we are about drugstore. Toilet, you must send a family man, red, or basic come be my, now feed you, what to you. You think, could be Jessica. And I'll call a station toilet. I want to be 2 cities. A BG 1 city 50 pesos. I'm on some Jim Jabby among for this car toilet a pass. I'm not for no. And I'll put the toilet in here. I'm some Jim you crack. They said the event called near the video. I'll video among evidence. Mong say, I didn't say, make sure a squadman form, minister, assembly, the offer for office. But some you not tell me, my send me the man here. The man has video that I am here. Not any video not to result to 4 so.
There be 024 for the WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number is 0591 95 6661. Send the two to see and I'm here. Why?
Okay,
I say. Good morning.
Good morning, Overdeal.
Yes, Abashawani.
But Star Junction.
Ernest Star Junction, Mammy too.
Overdeal. Important. You need to see me Star Junction, Quanta Bay, and your day, my.
Akoma FM
87.9 Star Junction. Akoma Master. Star Junction. A Greek college. Lazab Hodeba. Dr. Anna Mihono. Of a JD. Yes, yes, no. Muntuana Momai. You see, of a coffee, a hand and offer. Because of the corner thing, there was two changing the quality of Copper Depot.
Ah,
for heavy.
Coffee Bear.
Of a coffee Sunday.
Wow,
what is it? What's what changing the quality of Copper Depot? Because of the choir saying, Ofa kofi na yenso yentin ko fa depo no se yenso yen fan aha bi yen kakra wa eri se yire ne ma
87
Who say Oje word ma so for musi de kwai ma de go obefa ho no mu abi
why me say my imagine say Star Junction ada me hu se wo me a me tu career gina na ni ofa kofi kwa no wo de wonye me ka no no fan tra ba bi ho nye no
mom block no go ogo fa de paye de ofa kwa na asu bi but ye be hwe de to wadabo Star Junction na yanda KMA na sampa na mo nti krom ha
mi dis na mo se manwana
mo fa de sa obeya mam why sampa nti krom ha no adaje ode tira krom ha. All right, so yente voice note kakra e wo hadum say manya a lot of voice note e wo hadum say
87.9
obi de ne de e de aba videos e ka ho ne ade mesro also de wo de ba fa videos ka ho na yentimi entu ho na bo emfa ma. That is the rule of the game. It means for our dear bra voice note number no 0591 95 6661. 30 seconds per over that the voice note about 30 seconds near bomb. Now when every
yes, public sector constituency and public text message them say we can and I'm on voice note. Now no one come class and Akoma ya do na ochina no wo mleka kra na kamba mama be studio an kada me hu ya me ba be kan wo studio na dia mama to adam asem mama
David good morning David mampo bodini na apia so no na bia meka ya kwan bi wo ehwa market so no up to asio bridge bi da ho bridge no hype papa so to ayi kwan ho mmem na nsan ko ebu obi gum chese nya agrokra David ba ko so overseas so udu abu taxi bi yo ka kwani na so nye David ya so di hood mama ye Francisca o mebo why so
Akomafo eba me show me a victim to the robbery na mo ka ho asem ni bi me say free Kochi uwo wa Kochi station ho efa bekwame ebe pie chichirire efie fofura masi amaba betinem de bia me wo fie me ni fie a me mba wo fie one day pa me ne me nyina fie ye hwia me hu say yes me flat screen okay see me 55 inches Samsung ne LG o mai tutu ni nyina de ko me ntoma about 50 pieces ti we ma tonto ma paint me want to mapa ma hwie ntoma ni nyina ma fa me suitcase hwie ntoma ni nyina fa me kuru me ntoma nyina gum me sika kakra da ha ma fa sika ni nyina de ko o ma hwia me wig e ma wig e di butu yeti ma sesa me wig nyina kwa ma na kade na ehye me that day pa me de ko okuru na mamoma ne nyansa nye ni pe nyina na yefe ya de hwia ya de sa fa ye hudi o mamoma ne nyansa misremu tu na mo mpa enya me nko eye chichire asem na making ekwan ne nya ye tutom sa beduru fie ye ti ha nsonso eno nsonso akronfo miem ye ho ntoye kora ntimi nso me ha wono no medawase.
Good morning JB Dango pon ka o JB I'm in shouting pa from Bernard we bit my friend Andy the dusty guy JB I know you rena meet you crofobia friend no mo keka mo magen chiro fio bia ko so ye de o ye wati na mo pen kore the cross there wine obi be kai wine ba ko pe hwe kumasi na ye basa okoka ye JB we de on pe sampan asem JB de ma me fam fabric po bantuma ya udru o kwabre pokwan so and o bedru junction no presby ho no utia presby na unity wa na kwan finfini se pipe na pipe so dey o ma tu kwan finfini up to date je and bibia ye basa o kumasi a JB ukoka yes JB yes we say and ye tia na ye kumasi say e de politics MPP I kata ya dwen so na sabi asante for ye refi enchi na ye sabi ye ensem a ensem fata na o ma ne etitim pansan
JB, good morning. Me patrol me doing the Emmanuel Kwatin, me kasa free KGTia, the founder, leader, and the chairman of KGTia Petty Traders Association. Me na me kasa. Na mate se na ubusa se na prempe omoto aba ene ma no e ma me nua bi so be kasa eni kwabena eni be kasa se enipa over 2283 ene koto aba na ma na prempe. Enya no kura ni nyina ye ntro. Na de tie ne se even omokura no abato no ano omoto no enye mra kwan so ena omo fa ya omo de koto sa aba no se yan so ekuo no yeah, directors wo KGTia Petty Traders Association mu no we don't know anybody called Nana Prempe so when the KGTia Petty Traders enim enti yeah fa kwan we so dia to KM and all stakeholders enim say mo no deal in the name of KGTia Petty Traders Association because we be omo ye bia no yeah directors no we are not aware of that enti when you want the KGTia Petty Traders enim ebio.
JB, good morning. Me da some wajuma pa. Of course, be obi a me chiano. Me kasa free one. Me dey the only trotro driver. Was swap. You can say ada ofre MC, you know, but on your kwan no ka chen yen on 2 1 na bi o na school junction ho na me kan ya no. Papa bia obi abesi say Simmons was school. Na wa si nsuo kwan na nsuo no atwa fa kwan mu ho ama ase kwan. Into mo bedi birthday no
JB yamishira why
me bacho I would say voice note number no mo fresiso mo fry distractive voice note no mo also be free WhatsApp course here 0593 278951 Mr. Enfre o dey we program na so consensus be betumi afre obetumi afre normal call because what said offer WhatsApp call all distracted the whole thing. Yes, wadaroma.
Yankopon omo ho ban. Musuni esa Yankopon yimfiri so. Yankopon ma abibia unya hode na onfa nye sa adwuma we man because the whole Kumasi station here ni ho a yetumi obi ka ni problem na ogina so da no atimi free DC ana MC. MC meta send this about to you but maintain my voice da. JB but the friend am free ball wabaso a ball empire e de ma onti Yankopon kan ho omo ho ban abibia atamfo Yankopon wonyimfiri so musuni esan Yankopon wonyimfiri so otumfo Yankopon onyini yema na ye wo hwe ni wiase bia Yankopon.
Hello JB, good morning. Kasatu asante achim don abra. JB me 2 weeks ni obi free o say edisi ne ho kwan do me gansa ekwan nyenyenyenyenyen no free edisi no to papa so wo di free kono ebesin ko agogo no ekwan nu nyina tutu.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Hello JB, good morning. Kasatu asante achim don abra.
JB enye izo sa santa sempeti ono no onabo James Safo ono no say ni nua ne sa Seidu baba Seidu na America no nti woye bibia ana baba Seidu no sa gang enkwala no there's not on tramo oye ba on tramo ni ade wo no so it's been last 4 years you could see ehne bi wo santa se heman ho no ye ba ya na nwumre na no obi wo obi se kan boy bi se kan wa manadwo na omde no call Hope Exchange wo Christian Village na boy na ewu nti boy no do hihye akiri aso okọ ado aba okọ no aba ene se wosan da ba di sa nkwasasem no ho
JB, good morning. Pacho na ho yede. Pacho e fremata kase fui krono asuya. Na me ha one se ofa adonko side ho. Na o de ba betie simu o adonko junction si main road ho na. Free side adonko anim ho nyina ba nyina portus akese na deda ho. Tu beduru bi anaso obi na ejina ho a ode netie eferefe ho banso ni to ya na awohroko ana uduru ba bi efe ho comforter junction utra dunko junction na sa bridge na wo animo kakra no ede ba na unsa right utimi fa ho ade kosi barrier ho kwan no o start bra no mo ye gates no to mo ye gates na se o muduru ba bi na abotan akese partintim ho abo no ma mpae anya ne hwe ntigates no omudu ho na no mo de pemye
Good morning, Open Cassie. Moni Juma Moye, Yakma FM for Pachomi Hawkakan say we a far Confanoche teaching hospital. Bazim Gusa say doctors were hot and I join answer doctors in you and I juble. You say, I'm standing there. Miulma home fano. Sebi, ya letters in 20. Hospital section when she buy the back of furniture, you do as a doctor be any ho. Your money daho. You will say doctors will carry high a mechanical. And if I know you have a car, a side in a cobe fufro. Yes, honey, doctors in New Honor. Oh, you will be doctors name nurse ni makweza wakone yetizi was wakone private hospitals also doctor bien ni disi nipa no so bewu a na se wawu abranso ya yim se comparative hospital hospital one with ma yentima mfu nyina.
All right, mamen ko ahomane so na menhwe na yendi sa nkomo we besa so about back to voice note to bet me as no voice note there back Yakubu Nanasafo say Yakubu eno na James assembly member ewo Himai Empetia electoral area James Nana Safo Open match about Akoma 87 points na within the JB Bibi aboko there
Yeah, go for them level na mo say
yeah wo head ye ho ye but umpeso asofo Empetia ne Himai fo mo so mo ho nye kra ema enne anopa ikura robbery case kura koso e wo ho no mo exactly what is going on there.
James, mame, any person kakao ha. Any James Nana Safo. We understand at the beginning mixing up. Within the honorable Safo. And they say Masabe Asakuja Twahene. And the Nana or say Safo Boatson.
Okay, well noted.
Me handle crisis in 87.9 for now. Best security issues on Ambetia electoral, Himai Ambetia electoral areas. They say the Meka say Ajin Semu pa abro yen yewoha yaho de sopra. Sinti America sa ne say beye inti be miensa ana enai entimuni. Na kunkumu obehe yesi yekumu bi de na beto ha obehe yesi yekumu bi obi ko adwuma ba yakwede ne bag ayi na koso pa nti so he ya ye try to yibinya police station kra ewe ha na me adom be 3 years ago yiti ibi anu a omo ahye adwuma afe a police so ba yi enyema from kakra ma yesi se afina kunkumu na eswati yes so fly command so eboya na petroti no eye adwuma enyumre bia na omode castle no ebefa ba be tebosume enai enimu ntami ebe na asama na homre so pa fi krage ayihu asne first no so de na yisi ihu no so de budo na akwese nipa no kodi awu na wo ma be yini body no edina fe man tam ha ba fi ade na yes we are so de ase ade si wo ye haya pe anu na amano ayihu a meka se aburu ya ho de so ebi ni se na sen be na wochi mi ni ntomni de koso wo be man tam ha no eye Himai Ampetia da ko ekura ka ho bi ye kwai so ene se we ya babawa na wapo adwuma a wo kofi se ade asaka krebia emranti eche okwam ya jo bag wo so ya jo phone na o masa yire wo no wada ba ko kra de ye di kofi wada ko no de o mo yire ne abaya ne dawiye se ede ni si abaya ne famu kra ede hwere ne nfa nti eye niema in fact abure yeso be na woche ni pepe eni enzo so obi a abaya wodane dem ono kwa ne da akonfo ayronfo ya wo mo sai esai di rape na ka hin ebuura hon mu bu punani
ɛkɔ hɔ ne no kɔdae nipa mmienu ɛyere no ne dae a ɛmuwieɛ ɔmo san tu dɛm ɔmo nneɛma nyinaa fie ɔmo kuro nyinaa bubu ani sesa tvs ne nneɛma bebree ahodoɔ bebree a ɔmo de ɛkɔɛ nti kanea yɛ sɛ saa deɛ no sisi ɛkɔ so yɛ ha a aboro soɔ nti nyame adom na nsa ne nnɛ I think Monday or and Friday, yes. Monday, no, you put something in place. Na you say, yes, I say, it's me. And ya, a fire, you the first one, I am a bonny, I see, you the Susano. And you district BNI, your police officer, or Waha, any company for any stakeholders, your religious bodies, no. And solemn penny for any young among for any a queer Waha airline loss association penny company for Yina Yishia a year Ukriadanoa Yamiadum Yede and Yeme Guapen. Na I found me this year Ukriadano, Yamiadum a year a brandano anajo a dear Baba two Kriada. A consider na me adum eyi ne sokrata ama yinya no chi na me no ka sei owo sofulai a police for nsemu a ehwehwemu poso enti ye de ne magu akwam na ne tofa bon ka sei nyina no akugina se ye ne ayi sei nyina gia tun se ti nya bolenche na o mo bebo kuro no so enyumu adwumadi a ebekoso police for also share that petrol to mana buffet as they say no as a bibinti we jai to mu kakra no e best say aye adwuma as you can say ye han mo no kamia say new site na ye kase ye esu so wo krumi it say see nya adequate street lights so betimi abo mantamo no ama obi twamukura na kania wo hono mo a sabe onzo so obi be face na obi hu nanka eja watimi adwane abon ho mai after if you hu say education no so from security education in terms so ye dey atu ye ho so apa ho committee a ye be sorry any school ni ekuru ni na so ye educate wo mo the dey hu bi ne say exam ni bi wo no ma isia ya na ye so etimamufo no ye so ye careless kakra eka ho if we say adiasa what of all what they say when you na say umi aso phone light no eto wanimu a ubi onu musumun ebehunu ebetima identify the kind of person we ya wo ba so hunu enti wonu nyina ye educating thinkati a say ye church o man for ye say what so like so e wo bedroom nipa ne bia o seku wo window ni kakra bia obehunu dem ho no ne nyina hu ba bia da na watini abubu afa so memu na ye wo da wadum light bikura.
Hello Nana
Ye cheche o manfo ndi minia ye de enema abubu akwam yugufu a ni didi se ye start implement ya ebebo ama se entuase ye kra na ebetimi atoso kakra amboaye
Nana wadaroma yetete nkomo na ekoso ewo honom na mo ye mranti a omo ye known guys a omo free sa omo free krom honom da kom petia ne himai honom these are guys a omo ye known guys omo ye area guys akofo anymore
let me akase for now they actually there where known guy obi animu no but yes say you know ko na say you know ko de ne kare ne ye ne me dia gu akwami ya no say you get to the say ka ye ye follow but the answer is you know ko say we fe omu a omu ya victim to this security ye ke ya omu be report bia no na bi nipa ba ni ensa na nai nipa mienu nipa ba ni ensa na nai enti nyango pa ya aduma yetime nya akrodie the gidi say omo maka so da so system nim and it will very difficult to be to identify others na aka no so say nyema ebi egu akwami ebetimi aweke am yetimi enya wo mo achi wo mo I know very well say 2 years ago it's when amobi enya even Nigeria phobia na o magange wo fie bi na yema Ghana Migration ene Ghana Army police ekabo mu a yebetumi achi wo mu eno eme mpesa so and yenya na yedwuma no intelligence a yitumi gada he enti ebetumi aba local boys we de omu ha eni bebia ebi wo saafo so ajeje na nya de ye foforo ha na ekoso ba kesi ano de abeka ho repeat na afa atot fasona na isi amano aburu ya ho de so enti we know say automatically anya there you be not big woman omuda so local guys no and you be outside as well because some of the issues we see here now we check here say any obi a inside the hand more e be dey so betumi ama obi o ofia won say man information dey amana ba be boni e say nti anya me no ya adin say local guys no dey e be da so wo mu a say bia so no ye dey aso to komi e be nya bi so asa aka so dey
Akoma FM 87.9
Nana Wadaroma beyond anamo amodi kanya to police for any opinion leaders amu ho no mo brand here I'm watching for amu so ye known guy and I'm be na betu afa ho and subsequent to that watchdog committee bia eso any ho no mo betimi ahwe na edura na adwo atemamufo ada no mo so betimi abo ho ban omo abo mo ho ban kakra
Abanti a yati media, say na or war police for nation media. Daniel even last 3 days. That was Thursday. No, that was Wednesday. Almost the no by baby asamno isi Emma even one lady make us say omukubu ne pono eko phone mo na aka ho no. Esa ko etimi ko confirm say nipa no na ene no ebedaaye esa fa niema no enti so fa no kwa nyanya even more than one charge omode abono a ehwehwemu ekoso enti ti ade ye as opinion leaders e wa no e die ti anyame ya aduma ya che na akodi police for ne no ehwehwemu no ekoso no the police for no ehia ye mwa bibia efa question ho ana kwa efa so we are ready to provide na ehwehwemu akoso na ati wode gina emrani na de emra se pata no se ede ye no ye ti ede aye no enti ye ko ye nim no so no what document here na me ka ho asam no ya de a ya start ho a ye ne nipa ni bi edi nkomo because I hear to watch ejuma bibiti enya nipa ni bi asabe omu opepa to meet me aboye na yakoma bom na afi process e lu mu faso ansana ya juma dum mu mabeboa ajuma di we se no ya juma fam
nana obi frey nkomo no gusu na obi frey no se amo bebie sport bi wo ho no mu a mrantie ne tonton tramo ne rubone ne ade na mrantie no ina soso atu ogusu o chese to ano moto eno mu sa to mu wie na ebe mo ani so no master to this answer money way minim say o ya aware of sport bi e wo area mu ho no mu ampatem ho no mu a
from last year me team inti I me come dem ho count say being the head of the security in this electoral area no neman bibiri ho no mu a so a yinya information na that also my police for it me team it may identify 6 sport areas 6 from Himai Dako Ampetia. It may identify 6 sport areas sa we samne sa the trauma done sa ne mabone na wo kan nyina no e koso ho na e ba na sa wa wuni o mine so say ne o mine ma sa de yeduma di ntitie no me as a family member it will be very difficult pa ta ne aka ta meet na ko afa arrest baby exercise because of security reasons. So about a man a party follow a big duma. Make us say that a baby can be operation that my operation you up for and betia operation that for even one guy there now on the say or tone we from animal. They come and please from any chain one. Me ka say ye de no e call quarter ye say dey na say or no dey what free system ni mu kra nti enye se bi asebe yɛte hɔ no mo kwa yɛyɛ adwuma na wɔnim sɛ bambo adwuma no ɛnyɛ nneɛma no nyinaa na wobɛtumi de ato abɔnten ɛsa ɛba saa so anaa so o life so no so something else nti nneɛma no bi wɔ hɔ no mu a yɛde ma police for na anaasɛ yɛde ma authorities a ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo handle na yɛn yɛatwe ho kakra na wɔn no anya kwan ayɛ wɔn adwuma na baabi ɛsɛ sɛ ɛkɔsi bia no na akɔ akɔsi nti yɛnte hɔ no mo kwa yɛwɔ intelligence a ɔmo down all the time no ɔmo ma yɛ information a ɛsɛ so tumi de ma mpanimfoɔ ɛsɛ sɛ yɛde ma wɔn.
Wada Roma nana yɛfɛsi ha na yɛnimsa na mo wa wotu no ɛyɛ na mo pa but yɛbɛkɔ so aso ɛde yɛni adi akyire na ne bɛsi bi aso yɛne wadi
ho no so me da wase sɛ mama me akɔnya atise ba deɛ kakra ma me nka intratfoɔ ne sɛ yɛbɛsrɛ kuro mmiɛnsa nyina hɛman ampɛtia daako yɛka yɛyi daako fim ɛwom sɛ daako nka me mpɛhyɛ aso ho nanso ɛnam sɛ yɛ nyinaa yɛbom a yɛdi dwuma baako no nti no ama bibia ɛka ne ntra na account so yɛbɛsere mu nipa ne sɛ 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 amanfo a wɔmmɛti wɔn ho asi hɔ no mo na yɛbɛboa na volunteer ne yɛbɛtumi ayɛ ama na yɛ effective yɛbɛsere wɔn mo so far from na nsa na ɛbɛ nipa pɛrɛpɛ ɛna mɛnya wɔn mu din ɛnya wɔn mu information 3 ɛna ɛtumi ayi wɔn ho sɛ yɛbɛboa nti yɛbɛsere wɔn mo adeɛ no a yɛka no ɛnɛ ne bi a akɔsi amansa fie the next day ɛbɛtumi aba yaa hɔ nti sɛ ankɔyɛ wo nnua nti anaa ankɔyɛ wo nipa bi nti wo so wɔ tea da a adwuma no nipa baako ntumi nyɛ me nko a meteɛ m'ani ntumi nhwɛ baabiaa nti yɛbɛsrɛ sɛ wɔn mu kuru ha no yɛnyi yɛ ho na yɛn nyinaa yɛ mapammoa na nneɛma bɔne a yɛkɔ sɔrɔ no yɛntumi ntu aseɛ because police force no is even the personnel ɛwɔ your police station no kora no they are not even more than 6 but they will make my head my way no nyina nti ne person de volunteer no support nti ɔmanfo no mmoa yɛn na wɔn nyi wɔn ho mɛlɛ tri na yɛsɛ de wɔn fam yɛn fo wɔn fam nso so ya pa na boa yi ɛnyɛ saa yɛbɛka ne ano saa kɛkɛ nanso ebi emu dwuma di ɛsɛ si dun ne yɛn ntumi yɛn di nti ma de srɛ kakra a de tu mi kuro ma no so anim no
nana wada Roma ebɛda ase na no pɛ nana safo himan dako assembly member osanso diko hono ma me twa me ho bra na me koba there's a very dangerous and explosive voice bia aba busafo this one will shock you it will break you down na near Ebuboba no anodin the Ghana Police Service the IGP said some Ebuboba no anodin pa na some voice we unyante ya Akoma FM ye ma with this exclusive voice very 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 dangerous video ka ho into ya no join live on Facebook ye ba sisi ya
Mudie, bebia na makoto blocks na mudi siden. Hwe blocks ya mesifo edi siden. Ni nyina afrofu. Ye tumufo mo ntie. Meka kira wo se kwa Empower Super Concrete product for so ye. Wo monne ma cement eco blocks mu ye. Ye de machine ai na ye bibia. Machine na mix mortar no. Machine na ane chop blocks no. Na wi ahye ne kama. Ana ne size ne so de ye accurate. Opai adiaba. Ahoto so ne se ye free delivery within Kumasi. Ya obebu ya ne Empower Roofing ene di anhwane mu. Fre ewa 0271 144444 and I say 0208 396424 Empower Super Concrete Product Blocks Papa FA
Era yankwai would you decline na me enjoy very quick ha kakra show wallpapers any curtain blinds or the design in the hall and in the rooms wa shark designer why you form ho ne fair
I know ye 3D epoxy design okay me srew baby a wo free Alaska Star Enterprise wallpapers window blinds different colors and sizes over more than 350 different designs or design as a 3D 5D any 8D moral designs in nyinaa Ghana ha nyinaa Alaska pɛ ɔrɔmanfo tumi kɔ to dodoɔ paa tɔn wɔ hɔ fofofo chemicals yɛde treatment ɛkɔ si designs ne nyaa na dwosuo ne hɔ a sɛ asase wɔ metɔ no ne nsuo wase o
mekae paa
ase kra bi saa ɛti na ɛnkyenkyene ɛwaawa wɔ no ho nyinaa tantantan
na ba no sɛn
mefrɛ Alaska Star Enterprise ɛna ɔmde chemical ɛbɛtreatiyɛ ɛde 3D epoxy ɛne wallpapers ɛbɛdesign yɛ a aha no ma afefɛfɛ nti ɛnyɛ nyamesom kora de wɔ me mu a ankamede gye nkɔɔfoɔ gasi o
na wɔn mo hipɔtee
Alaska Star Enterprise ɛwɔ Kumasi Adum Prudential Plaza opposite hɔ a Accra nso Tiptoe Lane opposite Circle Mall ɛne wɔ Kanshi NS Chemist dan no mu a ɛbɛ ne MTTD frɛ 0200-281-080 anaa 0248-315-258
Yakrado na Akoma FM eba be shake your cycle be say ye gidi na Akoma FM Asante Marathon Jumadi ye title sponsor Kovi Organic Tiger Nut Extra Fine Powder Jumadi Paso Saturday 7th October 2023 where the biggest ever marathon ya AC and was Sante Mantamwa Kumase and Paso Wope Jumadi Wunchemu Pia Faye was 0246-766060 and our brother founders of Akoma 87.9 FM Ewo Kumasi City Mall main gate Ninsho Animua Abofo Aka Jovi Travel for Jobs and Estate Agency Yewo Kumasi Atonsu Monaco opposite MTN main office no Top Choco Yewo Top Choco chocolate spread on bread Top Choco 3-in-1 instant mixed chocolate drink Top Choco Choco Cup Abba Top Choco is chocolati floral tissue choose wisely.
Midimafo Herbal Clinic. Oyarefo with Dimafo Niwa. OA Travel and Tours.
Media partners. Aya TV3. Onia TV. 3news.com. And oniaonline.com.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Alright, I'm saying for Akoma 87.9. And then Friday, and then Fiada, Midi and the JB. Now, if you some way, I could say, non do ebebo. Yebabe di kobo ewa hanu say very very explosive and a dangerous revelation has started eba. Na bugri na bugri. Hi, this one will shock you to your bones. And I'm telling you, sir, the way a voice wasted here in the video, sir, Ebo Boba.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
I can tell you, sir, this one is more dangerous. This one is more dangerous. More than dangerous. Now, join me live on Facebook. Join me live on Facebook. Akoma 87.9. Video no way, yes, secret recording. Secret recording. Now, we share the way a video this is voice. I can count now. Hey, Radinya Kupo, Chedia Ponya Kupo, Christ in me, the hope of glory. Hey! Just say. Just I didn't ya oh, Dabby. Yet, yes,
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
No, we will not go anything and look. Your share and our share need to come one place.
What I'm saying is that
hey.
I wanted to tell you. Now,
we are telling us to shoot. Listen, I come. Are telling us when you get your share, we will not.
Me, look, I don't want old man to know that I'll kill my news, lie to him, he give that, but I don't know I was going for my back kick.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
But that's why I'll call you, come. Let me
if
you are coming to keep quiet, you are telling lies again.
So now you are going to, he's going to say it.
I'm also assuring Chama that woman, listen, I swear God, what I plan, like Chama know my hair, I swear God, then from Monday to Friday, because our entry shows that they will give you money. If they didn't give us, I'll not come here. I'll go. I swear, I'll go and tell President. We brought Dampari. They give you contract, and the Dampari do this. So Olma should not trash you.
Not trash
you. Do. Fine. And I'll go and let the issue go
He said he's calling SK, so let's
SK, I went there with you. Yes. When I came out, what did I tell you in the car?
Hey! I didn't hear you. Yeah, very, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Now, so, I contracting some. And they kick back and they cut be a said
Akoma FM 87.9
How safe are we?
Oh, my video, no, there's nothing dangerous about it. Take Green Abuya politician. And the politicians behind the scene. Is that not what they do? And there's a certain number of fraud, any fraudulent activities. Is that not what they do? All money is found in the houses of people, they cannot even account for them. Where do you think they get the money from? All contracts that has been signed from God knows how many years now, that has been influenced and over invoicing and under invoicing. What do you think they do? And for booking Abu as a politician, this particular video, it says Omako Akoye, they align to the president. The contract, Shabo Abema, everything must come to the same location so that they share Shabo Ninsa. It is the same thing. Obekaya there way, Galamsey, any announced expose no and many of these ones that has been added to it. The same thing. So this is what they do. It shouldn't be anything via who won't draw to be as people are afraid and answer anything of that something.
Baby, oh dear, and I'm saying what this juma we are changing and normal at the mouth. Baby, yet see who you say your bamboo husem and ye did agrono.
Oh no, it has nothing to do with bamboo. Now, I mean, I only himself be a private security company. There's only one particular person you have to buy security boots and security uniform from. Previously, it wasn't like that. It's you need to go and pay before you are given a license to practice as a private security company. But next, there's only one person. And I'm not for the breakers, uniforms number. What do you think we are doing? It is what the system has created for us. And see, I can't say the system is corrupt or the system involved. I'm not for that, they understand. In this country today, running a private security company, those days, Ubeko registrar general, now I register company, now they are about no my background check, BNI for me background check, now your friend say Brabeji will license, and next ultimate register, you need to go to a Ministry of Interior. We are now about police for, do police for what? The government system, a critical situation be said, and you're only one person that you must register to get a uniform and a boot, which is part of the qualification for you for the license. I'm not for criteria boot number. And to me, and yes, security issue be a women. Make sure video is from a video. We are home security issue there. And it is one of those political dealings behind the scenes.
Baby, ye nama ye kika kwi na ye hwe se ye bebo ye ho ban na obi a onye I mean bambo ho sem onimu na onumum na provide enema
normal co police co military kwana kwa show mo ye contractors from the year 2000 they are civilians. All their contracts they do, they are also civilians may provide the money. When we can hold them accountable, say, maybe I don't violate any of the procurement laws. But procurement in this country, now procurement there, nobody has been punished for causing financial loss to the state. Niobu call contract or Manasa Azuri Mukoye investigations within the procurement sector and this and one. Oh, it's a joke. And see, that is what we are as a nation, Minia. I'm telling you from my heart, from what we know, I've been in this job for 28 years. Procurement, it doesn't work at the highest level, let alone work. In the bank of Ghana, building the security problem, What's your procurement procedure? And I say there were other companies that built it, and two was kickers and one was even Ghana. Oh, Minia. It is one of those normal things. Yeah, will be and then Friday, a year be back to my so and then yeah, say your black and red, be na yeah.
Well, away from video, no, Enra. Police interdicted 3 of their senior officers, COP Alex Mensah, and the Yasaswenya Krata. I mean, interdiction has been reversed, or must suspend interdiction. No, from your point,
what is the content of Yamana Omokoka tape? Any the outcome of near society? Three outcomes. I say you better know, and I say you better with tradition, and I say you do better court because of the content and what tape needs. And since Thursday I'm home interdiction letter, no, that is okay. And since that police will trigger one of tools available to them as police institution. My kind letter I buy and no my kind is here. They are saying that because there's a parliamentary probe going on person almost suspending interdiction answer. Yeah, we parliamentary probe now. Now, for prejudice to the process, no. Now, my take a decision. But many a time or be an answer, or be a now parliamentary process. You better be 4 questions. You be 4 now. Fit one, I do the coins I want for 4 years and after 5 years. And what are these questions? You better be first one, say, only say, oh, yeah, service police officer, yes or no. Onim Bubi Nabu as a politician, yes or no? Onim the office now for order, yes or no? Onim Nakasa in line with Ojumana Uye, and answer in line with the police institution, yes or no? So we answer yes to all these questions. Yeah, besides say, Nyamani Nana what tape Nisuno, a Yauna Okaya and answer your daughter and answer your daughter. Because what Onim said, what breaching red lines, no, and you go all overboard. But Yamamo presidential parliamentary committee hearing. And see, that is what it is. It is part of the indiscipline. It has come into the system and it's creating problem for law enforcement officers as a result of political interferences, Mr. Animan.
Or the interdiction letter on one and reverse. A dear Bemana Bassa in less than 24 hours.
Okay, and so trigger first line. And I'm a GD pass public reaction. Public reaction. It is within the remit of Dampari to interdict them. And so there's nothing wrong with that. Because who can carry Dampari and internal amount interdiction? Or the assistant number of police officers are amount interdiction. And see, it's also within the remit of Dampari to decide, I'm rescinding my decision. And at the appropriate time, I'll take further decision. And he is within his remit to do that. Nobody can force him say, oh yes, sir. And it is not a mistake. It is a normal thing they do as law enforcement officers. What I suspect is the way I call the public humiliation and the arrogance and the bitterness, especially public committee in this man. As the other president, the young but it is the same problem. We are just adding up. Because I just go back a little bit. Before I said down Paribaban, Sapie to buy it. Apia is one of the best police officers in this country. Oshakwa, yes, I didn't buy ya, plan it to and I offer upon buyer or no Yamani contract for a number of time. Before I said down Paris. The state is struggling to get an IGP. And see, down Paris all ban, not him say, on trial up to the time I Jesus Christ, you're beginning but to the extent he's the IGP, no, he has within his remit to better take decisions on behalf of the police institution as an independent law enforcement institution and not a political institution. And to me, that is what it is. I have a bitter, I have a sorrowful heart for my brother JB. He's a practicing police officer who found himself in all this. JB is the head of the cyber security department at the CID block. And see, me advise almost they should rather resign. When you resign, you keep your integrity and you keep your pension. But say you're no interdiction. Sometimes what you see NDC NPP, it will not bring you back. Now, a bit care for 20 years. Now, so will be there. You forfeit your entitlement. You cannot wear it doesn't really hold. Can you imagine when I was joining the BNI, there was no NDC NPP. Yeah, NIPA 4,000 a starting process. At the end of 3 years of background check, you fire NIPA 4. Now, can you go and stand before Peter Nafori and say you have spoken to a politician and reference people to take over from him as an IGP? You are dead. You are just dead. You are dead man walking. Or you go and stand before Yaudoko as a director BNI and say some of these things. Or you go and stand before Kojoti Kata and say that you didn't go to the president, but you spoke to a politician recommending people who must take over from him. And you even go public and say he's mismanaging the Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Who born dog? It's an indisciplinary canon. This is where it has brought us to. And then politicians have bastardized the whole security services, NDC, NPC. And it is bringing us down. So whatever you sow, you pay the price. But I can tell you confidently, as a president, we are still back to square one because the state is struggling to get an IGP. And that is what it is.
Now, does it mean say parliamentary probe now more no
No, not a misconception. I'm for can say, we are under my recommendation for reform in the police. It's a lie. What they are doing is the work for the Speaker of Parliament. Because I say Speaker of Parliament in the establishes a committee, no. And at the remit of the committee is a TPDP. Find out the authenticate and authenticate the tape. Find out and authenticate the tape. And to the dear Bugin Abu appear here, or can say, me recording recording no ya no me office. Voice is not what recording na ya ABCD. Nyama otie wa recording ni so ya mpa. Nya na me dey tape ni ma president no. Let's say a committee no mo we mo eduma because you see muko authenticate tape no. What they are doing now is that they are just giving opportunities to understand that is exactly what they are doing now. Other than that, committee na no maybe Ubekai say our big brother Asasha Bisa say Asari, have you been to the NIB? NIB ya BNI and multi-sanity NIB. Your bank your friend NIB. With intelligence, you must have considered enough for NIB. You say fair NIB, nobody know what you are talking about as a nation. But besides say, have you been to the NIB, which is the BNI, in line with this investigation? And I say yes. And when here, because they are so angry, so they don't listen to Atacha. Even when it's happy, then they are not listening. And he went forward, instead of saying just yes, he went forward to say when they reached there, then they heard about a guy called Ashanti. But all along, he and the big uncle Mensa, they have been saying, you were inter. No, omo inter, omo yano BNI ho, omo call for interrogation and answer question. After the BNI picked the two guys from Buginabo's office, omo nyasa inter say, oh, there's a guy called Ashanti. And Ashanti ni Yajuma was the intelligence center of the police. They are done for small boy. Oh no, yes, tape no. And all record this Buginabu friend no. One friend Asari, but friend Ashanti. Meaning we are giving too much information and we are humiliating ourselves. You are just idea and you're indiscretion. And to just go and say, my nominee politician for Kasaya like you are saying you are regretted. Because you know the police service rules and you know the boundary. You have crossed the boundary and you brought problem onto yourself. And to move now, it has no influence on the police. It is a work for the Speaker of Parliament and they cannot even influence anything in the police. It will not work. It is the prerogative of the president to appoint an IGP. And he just has space name a president. No, appoint the IGP. Parliamentary committee can say, IGP free and I say, Cobra. And the other thing I want to correct is that no man for say, oh, share appointment authority. We are not the only country practicing law enforcement in the West. All over the West. It is the president that appoints some of these people into positions. Apart from South Africa, you can become an IGP without necessarily being a service police officer. All over the world, it is the president. And that's a misunderstanding. Then again, what is it we are talking about? So for Jesus Christ, grab people will have problems. In a football team, new coach, but say it is that captain. Manchester United, say a captain after Maguire Akoma Fernandez. Chelsea, your sister captain. Ekowe, your sister captain from Tony Ebuafa from the player, I got a problem. Since your sister captain or Blaster. New coaches, new captains, whether you are small, you are big, or whatever. Once I am for amount, the Jumana is a demon saying, Ryan just our person coming and say, and you say, I call over the bar, it's true. We are just joking and we are not serious. That's the way I say.
So, Okas the state is struggling to get an IGPR. As a man, because there was COPs, Ben, your Honoma. Ina time drew submit to me, qualify, your competent.
Before I did
yes.
Sena my answer address agree, not your senior lawyer, also brought up so
yes.
And I think they went on retirement last year.
Sure.
Before I did Danfari by. Yes, of course, people said Danfari is more of academia. And since our line he said a junior has been promoted over me and made an IGP. Oh. If the president has the luxury of just choosing people in line, he would have picked any of them. Said Homenu and some of these other guys are there. But the state struggled to get who will become the IGP. That is why it took them a long time and they were giving contracts to some other person where the media, Kasahwa, before they brought in Danfari. I don't think their number one choice was Danfari. It could be number one, it could be number two, number three. They are struggling. And there were conditions on the land. So these things, now BNI, the director of BNI is not a service officer. They are civilians they put there. The state is struggling to get people within the services to man those positions. And that is the truth.
Oh, Richard Kumado, Mami found see her no Musina.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That's it. Richard Kumado, a fraud and security experts on here in the Dinkomono. The state is struggling to get an IGP. Very, very dangerous at the my security system. William Ivansinkum, a head of our political desk. Ewo Hanumuse. Ivas Mache. The system itself is so porous and maybe I may very, very dangerous to buy a security system.
Okay.
Security very, very dangerous because you're compromising with the security system for just a minute and the country is doomed.
All right.
And that's what you're doing.
Okay, JB. Problem no okay asamoa Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi onifreni bi esuafo no ebusa no Yesu se yewura papa yi eye hwan na aye bone eye ono anase ye naja ma Yesu so ehwe na esuafo no anim ka se ono papa no anani efra no onye bone naja nye bone ni na nye bone nemum se ne be ya Yakopon mu nyambe dedi ntia so kai Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo onye bone Vice President of the Republic of Ghana ono the chairman of the police council onye bone
87.9 Kumasi
The former president of the Republic John Dramani Mahama onye bone In fact, the first president of the Fourth Republic, Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings, under ono ne watcher constitution ni bayo no onye bone The second president of the Republic, the former president John Ajikun Kufuor, also enye bone. And the late John Evans Atamels, also so etna kunyaso from 2009 to 2012, also so enye bone. Nemum no baby abone ni firiba no.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Baby abone ni nyina wo no. Eho ene wo.
Constitution.
I'm telling you. So
how?
To Oko chapter 15. Specifically article 201 of the 1992 constitution. Me pacho wa o constitution some media my friend the Bible no. pacho betimi abie ni aka kyerɛsɛm no ɔse there shall be established a police council which shall consist of Article 201 clause in fact Article 201A no,
87.9
who shall be the chairman, the minister responsible for internal affairs, the inspector general of police, the attorney general or his representative, a lawyer nominated by the Ghana Bar Association, representative of the Retired Senior Police Officers Association, 2 members of the Ghana Police Service appointed by the President, acting in consultation with the Council of State, one of whom shall be a junior rank, and 2 other members appointed by the President. It is
the composition of the police council now.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Clause 1A na fanisa up to a year ni H na at least bear me and Sunday politics and them na unim the ama likiliki abayi nyina eye politics isan say ohwe tape ya boy tie officer aposifo ni kodi nkomo a politician office because politician no
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Sani ye fa Yesu Kristo so ansa na yetimi akosoro ahemman mu no ebi mu hu ne say utimi nya politician bi ono ye influential especially within the ruling administration utimi enya de also so wakoma ehwehwe nti obete eye COP Alex Mensa se all lobby na okase oye MPP ni oye UP ni nti yemfa dwumadi no enhye ne nsa na eye dampare de ya de se obetimi aboa party no ubenya George Asari so ono so e de to so
Akoma FM 87.9
IG no yi omo a under the current administration no se bugri na abutimi boa eme yi omo a omo so ebetimi aboa eye party no nti baby a ya bedru no no me say sanya ma wenim nyina betimi atwamu a ti say your constitution no ye mu nsesan ye me maka say sanya Ghana ye democracy ne tie no enye ne ma nyina Bible say ye onye ye ma nyina ho kwan ne nyina na e fata ye your constitution no
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi yen as o mine enimani bi wo ha yo say the same reason say o ma nipa ni bi stepper obey ne steps so just here Richard Kumado akase enyam from so say civilian ebe supply police administration enyema enyam from so him say there are other people be a ban procurement ye the ma private man bi who are ye adwuma ne kron anya sa dia ye beka say duru akwan dia me emfa akwan ma jobijo kofijo atachi ene jo shop say you
FM 87.9
Kumasi no monye kwan CSR kwa so mutimi ye kwan ade ne emfa mo nye government agencies no we are not only dealing with the public sector or the private sector also it may benefit because whether you like it or not they are the largest employers about economy anymore but whereby say sometimes you breach procurement laws no kurano na obehu maybe
which is a normal thing Ghana ha
so like near the ma politician be
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Your politician be or contract onye bida na ban ba power na akwaje certificate to akwaje license because me a contractor wo di adwuma ne ma na no why na basa eno ene dia bedu ba bia yedri na ni nyina kowie how I finance your political parties ye bi utuwi so wusika pa eni wusika ubetimi finance political party na so finance political party a contractor won say political party na kone say nyame aduna so no so bi nyetumi a sika odi ama no na also so hwe so no twa oka
I see
e kwa be no fa so be twa oka yɛbɛma wo contract bia wokora no wonni nimdeɛ biara ɛde bɛtumi ama kwan contract wo so tuo wo certificate koraa no wonnim yɛka sɛ bitumi koraa wonnim ade korɔ yɛka sɛ anwea a yɛde gu kwan so koraa no a asphalt koraa wonnim ade korɔ nti yɛde ma wa ɛyɛ adeɛ mmienu ne timi si either sɛ wobɛpɛ obi aka ho no apiska na fokyere ma yɛ kwan ɛne yɛ politician bebree wɔ hɔ ɔmo yɛ kwan nso ɔmo nkɔ school nkɔsua kwan wɔ adwuma bia nti ɔmo yɛ kwan no a sɛ dakodwom kwan yɛyɛ yɛdi 2 weeks pɛ ɛna sɛ yɛ politician ni bi nsa no nnwuma no no so de aseɛ kɔyɛ kwada so kwan yɛayɛ yɛwɔ politicians ɔmo yɛ akwan
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi because only need be out there ɔmo yɛ ne ho ne nyinaa ne sɛ ɛyɛ political thank you ɛkwan yɛn afa so boa aban no a cut across ɛnyɛ MPP nko a NDC deɛ so saa basaa so nti until say yɛbɛsesa some of the clauses in our constitution no yɛbɛkɔ so awɔ record the same problem na yɛanhwɛ yi a
but changing the constitution entirely
not entirely
constitution way and yes but the way you used to since 1992
but you say
Akoma FM 87.9
articles ni bi omo a
Akoma FM 87.9
so yeah any constitution we man yehwe mu a ye the regency be kan it didn't need me enyen sesan kakra na say me ba wo constitution 92 constitution a ye baby a say ebi a public officer bi ewie by who attain the age of 60 years a ni asade bi account ya ma contract no originally ni constitution 92 constitution so they say eche ne de be kan
am amendment
eche ne amendment de be kan it didn't need to me a day pa ni intimi say constitution we say mo even say entrench kra na say what say
Akoma FM 87.9
referendum yes san kra no a it didn't need to me
it's near cost need is as a result of constitution.
The constitution, it play about 80% of it because
I see
the executive, the leader of the executive arm of government, president, away too much power. Away too much power.
I see.
And only a problem. And I make us say the area no, and from so no. I say yes to Christ any friend in the Nepsunia phone. Or Simira, why and I bonny? And then another I born because of a toy. Enye vice president Baumia na ebon because of a toy. Enye John Dramani na ebon because of a toy. Enye Jerry Rollins na ebon. Omo de omo ka say bia to some extent we blame nekakra because no time and omo drafted constitution. Enye John Ajikunku for na ebon. Enye Atambos na ebon. Sans omo nya betoy. It is here until see person sanema bi. Ewo eye constitution ni mo no. Ye beko so afisi problems any disgrace
but when any personal hatred for the IGP because this is the first time I mean issues like this
one source one root say ye hatred say ye hatred cry no ena I just spill over and I say ebi mutimi a showcase cry no
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
say oh ye wo baby o ho ye wo baby o ho me we fibe no ye wo baby o ho o ma ho kwan a ye si dua ma ho kwan dua ma ne ho kwan na e wo dore no so dey ase nipa no a wono no ekodi konkonsa kire bugri na abo no so o ye roya onim ne left from right iti kwan a na edamu no e na no so timi exploit ye so they say a say system no is such a way say
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi Kumado eka Namfuri Peter Namfuri asem say you dare not
who bundle
unim kojochi kata asem a walking these guys were coming from PNDC time Rollins time from 92 up to 96 or 2000 na almost say who won mine no ye ne hu bia na na sheda won mine mu because of the fact say the crop of people are almost forming a Provisional National Defense Council PNDC no most of them were coming from the AFRC and number 2 Hillary Mana Bayagu and naturally now say
Akoma FM 87.9
some level of fear
Yeah.
So they are here.
Yeah.
It's one be form with PNDC no mo fa omo de private omo fa nkrofo outside EFRC ne we see e beka count to be to say omanpanyi dada John Ajikunko for so called survey under PNDC.
Sure.
So they are here. And now almost free PNDC. You can see about multi-party democracy 92. Omo for me NDC. A good number of them from PNDC never for me NDC. Few and almost free because openyi kofe. Nenye uncle join NDC because no only route in free UP. So they are saying you won't get somebody like Omanpanyi Dada John Ajikunko for say or join it. Your friend is saying a NDC from PNDC. So they are saying,
all right.
Eti still are not who now only free AFRC. Every PNDC no. Every room 92 NDC no. That's what. It's not discipline.
Police for that ma for ni nasifo.
Police now there has been a lot of infiltration.
Yeah.
Politician about or the quota or the room. Etina COP Alex Mensa. Any sorry. Eti court bugri na bu ka kire ni say ye MPP for. They be ameka say, "Oh yeah, he the way I am politics no JB 6 na ka obi ya command e be ko eni matensa."
All right. Yeah, well, one very particular issue be able to deal with it. Very, very important. Try me now deal with that particular issue. But my make for 3P garlic mixture if I'm out. 100% garlic extract, natural plant juice. And make for the amount we don't pay. So when you be enum ya misro, but more than so be call pharmacy shop be na okwa also pe 3P garlic mixture. 3P garlic mixture no e boa e boost to immune system. E boa e ma moje die frusane ye omuye. E boa e ma moko fichire mo mbuso meso a munya yaw ni tu ase kra. E boa ma obi oye kese frusane sote esote. E boa ma obi wanya stroke. E ma moja se moja ne tumi die frusane yi a e na prevented that stroke no. E boa ma obi wanya tisho yare asthma. E boa tu ase. E boa e ma ojo so mu yare na sefo yi na etu ase. 3P garlic mixture ya wanwade bebre. E boamba wankasa oni padua no ejina brane. E sipi esita. Mesro okọ dani heba benya bi. Okọ misti heba benya bi. Kolinak heba benya bi. Apidan ko benya bi. Na only P-Wac natural capsules for and P-Wac natural for ending komo. E was 0248 928824 0248 9208 8824. Na unyo munim komo na pinch mu ye asra one 3P garlic mixture ni bi. And our number is 0201 000021 0201 000021. Sankofa natural spices. Sankofa natural spices. We yefa esichiringu mu, yefa chiningu mu, yefa chemicals bi engu mu, yefa bibia enfa ngu mu. Eye natural spices. Prekese. Hwintia. Pepper. Ni yanyam ni ya packaging ni kama eno ano no. It is the natural flavor, the natural taste. Ewo just say kakadru. Garlic. Oh, no person ye bia ni na ye sankofa natural spices. Mr. Kopebito na ento pressure so ento stress so ma. Enya afi na akwa nyam kakadru madam fu bia so kwa kodi fufu a onyam kakadru hwintia. Hey, brother. Aden. Ni na onya sankofa natural spices bi na di guba. Oh, one time for your man. One time. And then Friday into Mr. Bomodi mpunto bi a wo ye bia 100% natural spices. With no chemicals, no salt, no sugar, no additives, no preservatives. Nina natural Sankofa natural spices. From 0555 603143 0555 603143. Now your munim kobo. Kaise wapomu de hu here pa. Your health is your own responsibility. So take very good care of your health. Now make sure say ube kwakofa Sankofa natural spices ede wodiane na empower se make njo so obebu ono eba no blocks safeda pese osi fie na mesi fo be toso ene ma betwa cement ma betwa blog no ochina sa dada sa na sefo na Mr. Empower super concrete blocks say blocks no our types bia wona so ye o de bra na be share no say within 2 days open blocks be 20,000 abema 1.5 day no we try 20,000 na di ama wa wie but me see wood dino with so much ease or be good come akwa jaw uwie so blocks na asaso wo chest dan a obesusu o dino size e the amount no atwa chest dan the amount accurate obe make sure say chest dan a esompa enyunu esanso ye papa a be che e the amount ni na ye empower super concrete blocks our Santasia pre bebu kwane so Mr. Ode akwa jaw enti freno e was 0271 144 444 0271 144 444 and now 0208 36 0208 39 6424 0208 39 6424. The home of quality original wallpaper center. Alaska Star Enterprise. Alaska Star Enterprise. Alaska eto niema bi te say wallpapers, epoxy chemicals, waterproof chemicals, TV strip lights, bed sheets, blank curtains, original curtains, and stickers ahodo that's for in ope papa ne dia Alaska Star Enterprise or the free Germany, Canada, Spain, US of A, Denmark, Italy, Sweden. Yes, these are countries with exquisite designs and colors. And Alaska Star Enterprise. Mr. Wedum Prudential Plaza, Mrs. Anochi Plaza, Dining Hall, Ope Bakwato, now they are Kwakwa Juma or the Beto Amount. Ope Dodos also ato no aso akwa koton nya mfaswa Mr. Bomodia so friend was 0554 114 878 0554 114 878 and 0268 419596 0268 419596. The home of original quality wallpaper center. Alaska Star Enterprise. Na nche me de Danny Herbal Mixture ehusem ebebro na yetimi edi nkomo. Me ka ose bosumi ni mu nyina. In the month of September, a lot is happening. Now in the month of September ni na ye de ekai sebi obi onkofo bo hwem ho akonfo. Na World Suicide Prevention Day, creating hope through actions. Na ene yeba be this ankomo were very important. Obe share your experience with me. Na yet me e this ankomo we. E dia na to a ama about mu say sa de we atumi ye enu gwase e how kese pa ama me. Ma me hye me ho akonfo na me nwie ne kra. Ma me hye me ho akonfo na me nwie ne kra. Me fa ni na fa ngu na che se saso. Sadie no na say over the months, over some few months ni a lot of suicide akonfo hye ehun ababa beto dwapa especially ewo Ghana ha. Na ye bedi nkomo ewo ho. Ye mame Teresa Morina Dako or ye school counselor ewo Garden City University eba be din komo na also be share your experience with me na also watch them me adia na bebo wadwim ama wa kasa wo hwe ho akofo bia ba wutirimu da ede na esiye I mean na yenya afutuo yenya a better appreciation and a better understanding na yetu ye hofo na ye make sure say sa niema no ebetimi abra asekra sisi akra de enkra no yasa so kra de cartoons bi kra asaso aba e kire okwan ya betumi ahye ho akonfo e kire okwan ya betumi afaso akun ho ekwan social media is becoming more porous and very destructive to our growth almost a pain ne de betumi adwen but akra de untumi ndwen ti ye de start akra no mo ne kra brem ne e ko shetize ne san kakra into onyina bibi hye so kakra bi pe osema me hye me ho akofo pa no wawie yeah say o akra no to the start say 13-year-old 10 years 9 years people are killing themselves very dangerous e dey na bebe wadwim e dey na sipen e dey na wo wadwim wa feel say sa na man we dey say ma wie ne kura be ye dem kwase kura mame well mental stress and emotional stress something we cannot take it away from that. But a crime best so never fast so prevent it. Sad in my way. Remember even seeing Kumon no so I shared that experience with me. But my mate Teresa Morina Dako a counselor, a certified counselor at Garden City University College. My chair.
Yeah.
Bibi aboko there.
Nyame adom.
Nyame adom. nyame adom me ho yɛ paa me no din yɛ pɛ dako me yɛ dako de meto ma me dako a aha nti eja betimi ai na this very particular issue in fact obetimi asend no voice note at their faster number way so 0591 95 6661 0591 95 6661 share your experience with me dear naba utrimu dama ayese show ho akofu na wie ne kra na no KNUST mrantie bi omo or say wabon I said nobody is taking care I said ye diniya ye a lot yeah I say me share me ho akofu me ku me ho kra preko share that experience with me e dey na to pain amasa nyema we about him bosumo yina ye de si wono mo say ye de e boss nyema we ho e bai ba me da ko da ko ba me mra ho na Abna Dako, right? These things and time see those days nenya dia etesi. But you see cry as low as 10, 13 years, 20 years. Ehundientia. Iso mo shop ma ko from we ne kra. E dey na si.
Mama sa akonya na minchia mempenifo amene omoye adwuma. Garden City University. President, the other school nano. I friend no Emeritus Professor Anthony A. Ami. Sorry, you didn't know a confusing.
I didn't know what.
Yeah. But it was a me first akunya we so na me chia wom.
Okay.
Emeritus Professor Anthony A. Adimadu.
Okay.
Na Vice President so ye Nana K. Kwatin.
All right.
And ye Registrar Kofi Amankwa Kakari.
Okay.
And we empeny for Muda School nano. Any omamini omoye adwuma nyina michia omonyina.
All right.
As you side said you kan ye no. Afeni mu nyina ye yibosumi we siwo. Na day na nkasa ye 10th September.
10th September.
Every 10th September, Suicide Prevention Day.
Okay.
I shall say from 2003. And I shall say it too sad day see was say. Yeah, the bear bo who bind say, or being shen on one confu. If you say not a cosso. And see, said your walk on a bear, then a bow be a dream was also kuno. A yanyoma be brave, and son will be better. Nya sa adwen so be se o fa ne kra ono ankasa kra free ne nsem nyoma bebre na ebi wo wa mental health issue na ebi nso ye life experience challenges abrabomu ensem na nyoma a etu na tse de o kan sa enkora bi sa menya Accra 8 years.
Accra 8 years.
I'm telling you, about 3 years ago.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh no, suicidal thoughts.
Wow.
And in the behavior, ne mame ehun intem. And she called on me. Ti meneno go through counseling severally na obeyo okay.
Accra 8 years.
Accra 8 years, girl.
Hey.
Oba.
Ah.
And see, ne nyina ne say, I say. Who say eyo nonkwa or your only child. Oko school a ne mates obia onua. But I say ononkwa oninua. Enti no ohun say I say she is alone. Obia anka ne ho.
I see.
Enti ya na ne ra ho. Ne maame wu bi nka ne ho. Ba ne maame mfi no. And see, many go through counseling, but Yamiadum obey kama. When you say, obey 11 years.
Oh, I see.
We okay.
I see.
And see, I knew my baby. A be or what, na a dream we are. It's me, if you say, or you're hopeless. Bibia and Simeon Coso, ye man, until fee says, oh, na ye den eso atwa
owu na asa
na problem na we go through no asa na ebi nso betimi aye life challenges said they make an owu adwuma sem edin sika sem edin obi wa go through broken hearts or the ne doma obi anaso the ne ratio obi nipa na disappointing no ye wo individual differences e bi need strength to hold on
obi ni sa ahoden na obetumi de ahye ne ho so
ha ode be hye ne ho so se menye me ho bone e de esi nyina no me try se me hye me ho so nye nipa nyina na wo sa ahoden no enti e basa obi wo wa na opese
odi wie kra
na watwa so na asa
wow
enti sa da we ne ye de to esi wo e kyerɛkyerɛ se mpo bibi sa to wa you can seek for help. Here obi ne di nkomo bia na ye adwene mu ha wo se de ye kan no so timi saa ye wo komfa no che ye wo mo psychiatric unit you call district hospitals ne kra omo obi omo unit a omo hwe omo wo saa yi na say Ghana hanso ye di bibia ye nyamsem so sorry obi wo no ma na ye mental issue betimi a treat ama no but obi de be kompa ebo fie ye di bibia ye spiritual eno nso so ya another problem.
I see.
Enti ebasa empire ne de ye bebo obetimi akwa sorry abo empire ama nipa no but ma on seeking medical attention. Sa adwemu ha
enye bibia na ye honhom mu asem
enye ni nyina
but who was a bit to me
me bachane honhom de ona me se enye ni nyina enti se o de say ye honhom de kra na seek for medical attention and still pray na wo bompaye
o bompaye na wo san so ma doctors o mu
every say mental health problems na ye kan e bi o wa hu abeka say spiritual bibi te say schizophrenia
eno se ne
bi ni ebi I said you hear voices so no so bi ne kasa oni obi di nkomo yare nti wan hwa abeka say den spiritual enso enya spiritual yare nti no wo seek medical attention a nipa no ho ebe den ebe to no nti eno pa na ho hia say ye betu anamum etoda obi wo wa ye ne din say officer of helpless
onyo bia ne nkasa
be ne din so be kana asem nso akere wo nti o say ye nipa no that is it eno eya another ayi ebi so onim so no be di nkomo a na o de na asem nam nti eya na ye tai suggest say you seek for professional help. Te say counselor there one ne be di nkomo a mfa wa asem ngoto abonten aha enti eno nso wo ho anasa wo be pe obi a o trust no eno de enye nipa nyina nka say obi a no etro obi wo ho a o ma sa assurance of confidentiality say woni ni di nkomo a wa asem nye den yenkoto abonten enti eno de ehia e wo say enkrofo eba out na omo seek for help woni obi ni nkomo se wo fi se bia wanya saa adwen se wo pese wo fa wo kra free unsem a ana se wo fi se wiase na ba wieye nti eno na ye option na ye option suicide is not an option
and so for e bia na also wo experience bia pese wo share with me obetumi do udiesie I mean obetumi abodi obetumi do udiesie wo hia mo bia bibi share wo so I mean who go through a lot if you say you can't help it wakasa waya wakwa enko betumi afrɛ me na counselor wo ha in as much as say ye didi nkomo ye betumi aboa wo so betumi do number na betumi aboa wo
me de konfa no che doctors ne bi nso
numbers
betudwa
but betumi afrɛ me 0322498035 0243114497 strictly nkomo ayedi about Rimuda, a dear na ebeba, a dear nebesi, na ama abawadjumu se, maybe a dreadier, menu beer, my bread, my pimp, my minion to cry, nasem for nasemco. Obet me a from me a dincomo, and I bet me a send a voice note 0591 95 6661. Now corner here number no 0243 114497. and 0322498035 na yenim komo quick one na also ba yebetumi anya da je ne yafa na yetie wo de wo experience a wo now so ekwan be so ne be fa so yebetumi aboa ekofo bi say but mamene we nim komo. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, bro.
Yes, but you when
Obi we me person na dem dey me see me Facebook.
Mate you.
And then come am do na to makoma so pa. O ma ne to ko ne wo sa ha oni mo anya nya. Kamia ni tiasi, kamia ni je de krasi. Any stress na ne se mo ma wayi. Kimi ni se matem. Oni bi ko cha ajen a bi na da bintin. Na sama bra boni se no ni workflow. Something you can come attention. Look at them coming a teaching. What can't you penny dinner? And one of Sadan went to Jen following Sunday. Once a man I you a dear took I saw them one. Which means I somehow go kind and no one of so a teaching. It's 3 months here. I didn't find her pay Anna. So me and my many can't be. They did a while about Jimmy and that spiritual said at the time. It's something me get beer and the kind of niggas pay, not the week I took my dream. No crowing is capping, no crowing is yipping. I don't know what you as a crime doing. I console me, but nothing to be general, so to be a catching thing for the 3. So, if I'm not there, I want to make a sapao, my brother. Telling to me that about 12 months ago, the penalty is and that pay. I had to come back and say, because I didn't imagine say, when you to me say, to connect as a treatment. So, it's the Yamia do may recover. It's a mom way, do a while not a yabo damo by near my office. That's the thing you have to say. Maybe bye, baby.
Yamen Kao, may the doctor number no better to na only na dim combo. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, baby.
Yes, sir. About dear na so do DBC.
Oh, many problem. We did Alex. Me just afraid this.
Alex, me too. Can't
me so me so am fajibi.
Oh, that be also dear. Oh, friend, me that be na papa.
Mate, second matter. E come to America.
Be am fa. Alex,
me say me experience wa. No kwe ba ko pe. E bi ato me da eto me January last year January. Na me nko na e kam. So my mini can say first no me say obi ka say be a machine na ho akonfo machine na ho akonfo na mate so be say na akonfo bi say na den so be enipa no wadini na e enko especially when I met say so oba bi ejai opu bi ejai ni ku na be ma bi so say na ho akonfo. I came to a point maybe dear me nya yi aka last year me no madru one metrika no for the fa car na koi mani da so asa the copper na me bi me akoye menya accident 3 times 3 consecutive times in a year. I say me should say no be na church na me nya adwuma nye ana menya accident nti na obi am pese ode me car ade ma ye adwuma me so ma drive for so many years. I say me na me timi to me bi ani di me na me timi hwa me ba me timi to mata ade she me timi check me light bill san mo ni na assist for a couple of months ako do year abro a year prepaid 30 cedis about the bomb punu na me fare kwa sleep ya bonti me ga me bibia betimi asan wo dem ye di apart from so many accidents nyesa me mpebiro even up to say construction adwuma bia me betimi ye obi no Alex bia ni say Alex bia me drive ko me see adwuma bi na adwuma no asom boss ne car na me park ko ye because me nyesa ka wo da ko me sales asano man nyina ko pemran na afi me to me ni ento ensa nyese me limu nipa wo the nipa bi usu ranges of the nipa owo duma ah no ko bit my employ word menu anya se me fan to woman e afi me what do call taxi drivers amane say nka wo hia mo anka e aka bi wo ho a obi enlenke e bi makwa pem otu ni ento there was a time a commandant police officer bin chan was just run about or kind sika woman na even to kind sika no we na na or ko tena me kem was Alex ninkusiwa na msoma sisi mabetna disu of late name nzeme buanka na msoma sisi mabetna disu no tumeti ya kumena ntefu mako oso okay so all kinds kana many who can ske akesi bi 5 cedis ena me hu you se dinyo at sport na at na hongu mati bi mu ade ma me experience na me kan no wo si mu na me tumo ya ha me na wonya baby ko no nkura fula dan do hwere so itumi na me de fula dan na si nti me tumo ni hwebu mutu na ni je nifa o ma me ne sop na me ti se de nka me te hɔ a bo hwere so nka me to fula dan ni ye de enno ma me ne kra me se all kona na me sɔre fa ma me ne sop at a sport no me so dware me nti baby nso wo sop for Alex na no wo hu se me yisu anu di me ti Alex na me pagya me sase me ba yebi sanam me wo hwere so a na de sanka me nka tia se ho bi na ya say unim nipa say de madam funi je bi kele kuna fa na ka meta de mache no on send 50 cedi ana on ka te dia break na ka woni ni nkomo se sa situation to ade bi wona fufu nyina be ye problem de ma o ofre no kwa onfa ofre unti ana measurement sa me din kama sam so nse na ho kire me ade me kuma ka che wa se me pe adwuma o ba ka ya je bi kwa no di san ko we se pen no ka se me ti feel but I came to realize in Sri Lanka me say e be hu se mi wu a and solve the problem no emame and will be that teacher me rare a lady and a teacher me rare this no wusu or Alex and no doesn't mean say of the it would be relax it na mu didi say e be you say hard working guy now could be with my year out of it now with my BBS which you can analyze no now with the name na me pa ono kwa kaya the task ono kwa be paid no mama and no the same in crying and it be how me the society it's life na easy and many part to the sense that over can much you say akobo wa eyi na so waka kire no na on feel na de ba ko yan so una mo ko be say nim say o to as na ho ne den ento e ya adwendwene ke sie na una mo ha ka bo me so aben wa bra mi nim say me a whole driver that over 10 years ka bo me so aben mi nim say bi twa kwan pen no what can say 1 month 2 months up to 1 year to getting to 2 years and yes on pebble na bi say ho say e ya ho bi una boni bi ho so boni na aba so ti ho so pin na aba so na e di nti ana je do abla boti senti be ka wan say anka be ya anka no maduru den ewu ana maka mo ba me ka de so bi enku me tu still the new adwuma but ade chi ade sa bi na ti building wedi it's a nipa du ho na so akosa ho hawo mu a on fa me Alex me di mfa nya futuo on fa nhye na ho nkwan say achia le mui esne kasababu nyina da abeto de bino wa na nka watade ni ya pa untimi pen piano pa no ubinya atade papa de piano pa debi na experience no
Alex nyame kan ho why ebedi nko hello good morning
hello good morning
bacho wani no problem but jina ye na minti won kan ye
hello
yes ma minti you
bacho kan na pra kan ko
enne
but madam for my friend with the town say no name by man this na din hana guy
enne ya ye kase ya nanka wuku ho
no baya
ada de na si
kami so no be na din ko wa ni kia ahaya ko
fa jime number na frame na ye ninkom 0591 number na me da to voice note no okoja mai fa number na to screen 0591 95 6661 what's my frame na ye dinkom onema bi wo no mo yes I understand I admit say 0591 95 6661 6 near me sir. 1
never. Oh.
Very, very dangerous and well, okay. Mate, so bit me a friend now. It didn't come on. Look, I mean, that is what is happening.
Sa togetherness and our unity na say eni ho. Say your dream, ye being there for another ase enni ho biem sese na koye menkoa because ase wiase problems no
ya do so kra chen ni pe
nti ono ankasa no ono ne ha nti ase obi wo hawa he's not willing to help but obi wo hon so ase de Alex can asem ne bi wo ankenye ska wo arechichi nsem keke just be there for the person
but nipa ne beka na asem achiro untumi nsan so hwe ne se ono nyame nko because oji wudi waba wo nchen at least no de beto dua ne de befa ka akra oni bi no waba be ka chiro no wahwe nanim di nyame ti ase nyame beye na oni nyame nko how mame fa foforo we good morning hello good morning yes good morning obe person be bo dia na adu din besie
me ka se fi bu kuro
mame nti
me say na Alex kana me nso me de kakra to so abrabo no mu de ya na ya ni fa mu ni me ma o fie ni sa ne ma ya o muntu mo bo asemaye because na year school almost 6 years ni hello
bitiopa
almost 6 years ni unya eduma kakra yo ko yewi no abafie na o fie no pressure enipa di guye so utie ni pa no eti aduku no ba kam pressure if enye abonten so for kura keke kura na wa wo maame enu nua mo no de o bi hu se wona ope ana sa na eto tu ra de ma e de na ba ko she ura ho a untimi na o dwendwen nti sa adwen no e ba utiri na ko e ba utiri ni ze no eba me mano na do mu kitchen me rese na wo firi o ngora 2-3 years uni kwa de no mbe na ta shi ni kunan na me bo hom pa yan kakran 20 me man ni ko tere na ne penzo ti ni fi ni bi fi de ya de ona ti ti de na le si ko so if you ni na and so be as a she am on zoom the on top if you ma pressure on ma bonti so what so ka da dia lu pio di mon vene enye mba sana ta wa tenti the program na mo ya na pereno mo ma me ma no bia how now for no ni ma for ni mo ni lu me na botere mai ko bia ni wa am de so ya na wa no de pan ejuma ndi lo no ya ko om tenefi na te om shibden
Matibidas. Good morning.
Good morning.
Obapa, you're from saying?
No
problem. No problem. Free if I could cheat.
But
Mamintio.
You put on a way and they are someone to say. So the more can be our real problem and also to me, yes, I will me. It's me, because my you know, I say, I mean, you know, the Bremen dance and you say, it's my other than when would be. So that's for me, I see the London this year, and then you know one, and you and they could miss come the one. They couldn't go into it. You need the idea, I'm a bottom. It means I say, you can it means one, may use me, and why the tears in Penina will not a Sunday at the na dem e shat tin na am seeing group of mananka et wecha na me ho atom ya na me fe nkula area na se na Friday so na mo ye ni de o mo ko ma no aduru ya na ye ni ma be if you da ma se pa no premo program amaye de mo any easy our real program is dear fast.
Mate, me da say. You betu one doctor wa how ni be din komo. Now there's a breaking news there war Kromusisi akoja my fatu Facebook mama na yesi yakun oba bi ato ba bi sisi a that so da ho no as we speak. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
You from say?
Your friend Kwabna.
Kwabna, o ka se free his here.
make us free Achuma Bebu.
Achuma Bebu.
Bebu.
Okay, and then I see you honomo.
But actually, I don't pay a Daniel. We say you come, mommy, be at the KG4 school down at you.
KG, Achuma Bebu KG.
Aye.
Oh, come on.
Please, for crying out my hand, what I saw the whole mommy no facility.
Tambena wuhu ye.
Nza anopa adechi anopa ya jese nkwa anoko na oda honomo.
Oyo bapinfo ana.
Onya pinfo de na ye ne ho soso. Aha nti. Sana etie.
Enye bebu na beye 3 days ago say omuko kun obi wo hwe.
Ze ha yi
komo no peya se akromfo ko hono mo amukọ chinkofo do mo asane omo repu omo nasefo ina, and that is oh come on Jesus.
Yes. Ano pe na mo ne family ma
munim sister no o she ring kra o.
Yeah, o yo bawarefo.
Oh, munim no patebu hono mo ana.
The way I was to sit down, they also please for my to be a person in Sabeka, but also a new to form tea and said them who and years.
Christ, Jesus Christ. Ghana Police Service, the best remo say, this is very urgent. What suspect say we are now say we the will sit down there just say onim kwabim.
Oh, to see how they on home on Picano cra on Picano. The best say a good food. Police station mo ben ti e be say ase o mo ti enka o mo mra na o mo mehwe body ni na o mo tanti o no
che hope biem o say o ho ifa poti
du Achuma Bebu a primary school no KG no to aso ti KG na chi na science incident ni esi
eti e ho no na blocks ni gu no
me ba so an
e new site ana
show that new site a
e wo kwan ho
o kwan ho sa
na Bebu barrier bi wo ho no police for ho ana
o sa barrier ne de anyimre e waduma sa kwan mu Bebu aduma sa ensamampo no emu ho no ma na barrier no wo nti mo mo ofesi anyimre enye daytime.
I see. Yeah, say you be one announcement na police for me aba. For breaking news, Bebu KG hono mo na yakukun obi eda hono mo sisia. It looks very very fresh and very disturbing. Yemra back ni start here common beam. Ni di I don't know, but akofo hye ho komo. I mean experience I also so wo mo experience I wa kom ni ade. Good morning.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
Let me get my number.
Open my number.
Hello. And your number no matter because me dem dey work.
What dey na wa?
Me
dem number be ma o.
Me come program e go do so.
Me the council number no be ma na oni na di nkomo why. O dey wan ko ade no benya daje ati. Me ma so no do so.
Okay.
But you come bia no show ho dey na very strong. Now only council di nkomo benya daje na oni wadi nkomo why?
Matthew.
All right. Me that say. Good morning.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, mommy. Hello, good morning. Okay, what's me and so? Also, what's me a friend? 0322498035 0243114497 and our voice note number no and our what's me a friend as a new voice note 0591956661. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, Bacho Wayne.
Patrona me na mention number.
Ona because of friend.
Good morning. Me na mention number na me phone the card.
So unya number ne dey.
Hello. Patrona.
Unya number no.
My name.
Okay. And here no afre. Why?
Okay.
Good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, Bacho Wani.
Bacho, Akoma FM ni ana.
Akoma FM ni.
This mo me problem kakra nka me pese me bo me din.
Ma minti o.
Omo ka suicide ayi no.
Opa kasa ma yenti o.
Akwai say stigmatization so kan like me nim dudu ni pa ka dan ka me so me like me kunu.
Aden
ka say like me ho bon what I say like me ben ni pa bia de omo so omo solution. Nipa no go say bia wotin kan wo kan wo be ka che say bia meeting sent bi wo honti bia fasie na abegwa wo nka. Mishima ko hospital me
dear na wo ho a I mean what is going on dear dey
I said me ka send nipa ho like I say omo ben bia I say musi omo hwe na omo ye to say I say me ho bon I say carbon bi efiri me mu mishima pedrua ya me nya solution.
Wow. I know what friend number we are. Mempe Dr. Bima. Why? Hello, good morning. Okay. Quick one. Good morning.
Hello.
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 Good morning. Hello, good morning. Mame, what's the make? Good morning. Hello. Wow. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Basho Wani. No problem. I'm into you. Ma oneso kakra mami na minti you.
Hello.
Ma oneso mami na minti you. Meet you.
Basho. Asam na mo kana na mpese meka asam kakra fon. Esa emane omo parents asetina ho. Pacho ya na asetina bi wo ho parents ni etina ya na enya kora because mame a minimi se meme ya oba metini ni mame edi nkomo. Bibi ha me na me ka kire na odi di makem. Ekina bi se bibi si anasa me na de na ni bufu na odi di makem. No, di matem se me nkomenim on sawa kawachi na afi oju ni se wo de onko enim da ase me hu ade kura na me pese me ya se me de baba be sin enim se ma ade we na pese me ya o se na wo de o he na o beko ai ko de chu enim se me de ni yi tade no so ha me a enga kwa me hospital my ka se me blood pressure was high because me kino him and I'm in new pian so I'm a catcher no. Me catcher penny dinner so I'm a catcher na.
Oh, too bad. Counselor, it is becoming more dangerous. Utie nsem na ebo bana.
My surprise kakra. I wasn't expecting callers be bracing.
Dodo na akra gu eche meeting pick answer ye.
Enti a problem na won say suicide na say ye nja dan kan ho asem bebre.
Lebi.
If you say ye de tete obi wo kwa na busua mu. So obi ehye ne ho akonfo no wu ya ye nka ho asem. Ye tibi de share yare foforo. If say ya na because of stigmatization. But see it me ba out ni ye ka ho asem say ya na omo hia moa no
na
yetimi abo mo say ye hospital say adwemu yare a na ya kire no ebia wo clinical psychologist and psychiatric a obehwew ama wo ato na say
yes afa foforo be yes abi na ye nemu ni nko.
Okay,
good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning. I am friend Amonya Butan Motie. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, but your whiny.
Me pacho me de me besi kakra.
Very well. I know I'm on this kakra mami.
Me pacho you.
Me too.
JB. Asama mo ken o me further nenso. Me ye obi a say depression no me nyaye for about some years. I feel na I am say me one injection cra na me. See obi na eboa me. Later on, I may call psychiatrist hospital in Fanoche. I feel me car no more me 50 cedis per day. Now say every week be a man call for about 3 days. Me car me near you my son and me car no. You know what's in Jaiko. A drama no ma na ma Daisy. Me breath me ma me family home. A whole lot and
a pot na na will go through that.
See me on my say bibi betche many are there. She said, why now be so am so much until now you know so face that problem.
Oh really?
Doctor will share me for I said that. It's a whole man I me say me soon.
Doctor share when I fed up.
Why fed up?
Oh yeah, there, Juma.
Me can't call for home.
I see.
It's me one number pounds me for that.
I don't know for me.
What the me throw secretly na ye drink come. My bad even it got into some time can I me afraid doctors me were doctors there 5 number. It's me them now as my afraid doctor around 12 a.m. 1 a.m. Ne you call free. A lot. To see a midnight on me make quite a lot. Make us a coming home also.
What worry?
Daddy, me worry me daisy. Me ni obia me best friend. Me ni obia for now.
I say me pon friend me why?
Mate.
All right, me pon friend me. This is more dangerous. And the marketing kitty say Anna. I mean. Eman kofo go through what they are going through. And yes, sema ye can ho asem wo radio so. It is a afimuni na ye yida kro de esi ho no se ye de yes anema we ya. Ne yemfa ye ho aduro. Na ye tutu ye ho fo. Ne ye hye ye ho den se na be ya. Yeah, because people are dying as a result of sanema we. People are killing themselves. Omu ku omu ho kwa. And it is more dangerous in our society. Yeah, for course, kakra. Be about ho. Hello, good morning.
Hello,
good morning.
Morning.
What person be bo Diana?
Me program be o TV so na kana me person me bam kakra.
Mami ntio.
Ana mpachanya mo.
Hi Akoma FM ti mami ntio.
Hello.
Na mo ye Osekrum TV.
Hello. Hello.
Mami ntio. Hi Osekrum TV. Akoma FM mami ntio. I think say live wo Osekrum TV. Osekrum TV for share live. Saso na Akoma 87.9. Facebook so ekoso ho no betumi ahwe live. On person be bo din so betumi do voice note e dia fa number here that screen so na what me do voice note e dia ba mebo dia amount na yet me aboa appropriately na bibia so tumi akoye e de amount na very 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 dangerous. Counselor, I mean me fa course ni kakra mom there, but kakra na aba no, these are personal and emotional issues, mental stress. How do we counsel people like this?
The American say, if we are saying no, as a brabona ye woman full of challenges. And she said, "Basaya, I was a one kasani pan was show home crying. Now you will be a dinkomo. Then you seek for help. When he am what they said, I was so near counselor. Now then it's nas and now then dinkomo. So because say o kan wa asem kire obi a obi hu na eda abonten but o de fa o de fa professional counselor so a o be assure confidentiality enkomo a ye di na ejina nipa o client ne wo counselor ne pe entem third person bebe ma na ebia bibi nti na ema third person na ebem aha na me pese me can suicide in the law wes na ye ka se obi ahye ne ho akomfo na wantimi anwu wa survive wa attempt suicide embra na che say criminal offense nti o say ye chi ne tum na okodem but say ya ye amendment no sa mra wo ho de dada afi na wo ye amendment a 2023 na aba say say obi ye so o hye ne ho akomfo na wanwu a na ene oyare ebi ya adwene mu hawo ana say emotional stress bi ena ema na ye santi o say nipa no esiki for medical attention nze say no constitution mra no o masesa no say the first na nke ye criminal offense obekun ana say obefa okra every nsem no na say we enye nwu na wo survive a o say ye chi utum sana na mra ne ka enti Ghana Mental Authority omo no mo gina ho say entisa so obi so okuni hu the person is going through a lot of stress niama bebrenti na ema nipa ne yeden so obe say okuni hu na say wentimi an succeed na say onyanko a enya say ye chi ne tum so obe ko prison from 3 months to 2 years.
Can you imagine?
And see this 2023 and all my ISA amendments and as a son say so be yes ekosati bi anima yemfa ne so yare or mental problem that is it o sande ne go to prison dia no so o sande ne waku ne kra entine o se nipa na ekọ for rehab ana say ohia counselor ana so ohia clinical psychologist na ya hwe no treat na ma ne ho ato no
mame fa course be miensa na men yen wrap up on this na yen sorry so kra na me ana meraho be brave because
me ba cho before be fa course no me sre the churches because asore bu and sorry bu pa un say college ni bi kekan say me kan ma say mo kire so for no dey preaching entin ka me sre say churches no e wo ma omo clinical psychologists for any counselors say aso for na your mo counselors your professional counselors and say na ye wo say wo ye so for but o sha so for na timi kire say me ye counseling me stress say nka Sundays bi wo ho a omo mfre clinical psychologists any counselors professional very good na omo ni omo ne asafoma no emeye nkyerechire emfa saa enioma we hu eno nso betimi ayeden aboa ena se obi nso timi pa mu kane hawo kire o trust na so kane hawo kire wa emfa nto abonten se nipa ne pese obi ate ankoko FM station ana so ko com center eko announce ye sa information centers no ko be kwa kogina ko announce na asem ba so obi kana asem kire wa na se nipa na trust ne hawo o fam no nti o ka kire na wo wa hye ni nkran
enya afi na bebu na bem
enya emu na bem abemubuo nso dooso me kola baako o se ne maame o yes ho na wo betimi aye eno so e ka ho abemubuo edma obi timi taking the life because as a why useless e wa abrabonim
ye fa foforo good morning boko na so
nyame ya de boko program na mpese me baso kakra
mamintio
baby hello.
Pacho mitiopa.
Me pacho midimidi besie kakra.
No problem.
Na akomishe ina mo ka ho asema no. In fact e ditu me. Enye nyame a enka nementi ase. Me koto me ton me yi mi fie na enye uncompleted. Na nka mi tu kwan. Akontuo na anye yi. Hello.
Bacho mitio pao.
Akontio na anyeyi na sikane kakraka na me de koto over ne se me de ye adwuma. Over no so a me de she adwuma ase na ejato mu sheye. Ki me nama na bibi kasa kire me se ada se ye ko winsani ana se fa homa ko hye wokon ye de ku ho prekon. Eti me sa me so a me ntumi nka nkire obi a. Nti one day na me ka kire Dave bi se na to me no cheche me wure se minjai na fiinsi te bia nyame wo mre papa bi wo anima o de yede wo mame ene ma mi jai ya ene ma she eduma ma sa sha se ai scratch bi mu ma sa sha se ase ni ko school ma sa sha se class 1 ti akom sa minim se di pronounce ni pepe akom show se yenkunya ho no e wo system ni mo pa di me da ma se pa se mu tie for why
ya men sha wo de ya men kan ho so good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Mbacho Weni.
Akoma FM a program bi na person daso.
I'm meet you.
Hello.
Mbacho meet you.
Mbacho Yenya accident na makon ya yasa na ise no nijunkumu ebu ese no ni sika bia wa ma
o se den si ye
Mbacho se
kasa de minti wonka.
Hello, Mbacho me tu where you
Well, hello, good morning. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, but your baby would now do the message.
Oh, madam, meet my woman by Messon Kaka say, or Bana or Fro or Can say, or no big Jim Comoichi Kakran. Low market credit one tea, in case only Dim Comochumanasa or only the Casanas or Tias, and all the number amount of Melbourne is the reason, Grandma.
Yeah, WhatsApp me wise. Nsa number okay, just okay. Send me a WhatsApp. Na me who udin why. Course okay, I might not be able to recognize your number.
Right. Okay.
All right. Right. That is what we are looking for. Oh, mo ebi susu de buankophobia. I mean, kwenda ho. Uti obi de na so wo mo ebi abetumi de aboa na. You can also be of help to people. Na yetumi aye. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Bacho Weni.
I'm Bacho AF Alfred Christmas from Western of
Western of Robertson.
Bacho say.
Robertson now free.
I know a Junasi.
Sefi Junasi.
Bacho.
Mamintio.
Oda Roma. Binya motor accident na me jonkumu ebui. Eya na left no. Ama mako yare sa se me told me na se me pesika kaka nkamete be ko hospital so me nyana me se me stress na mbetu na boa me ama se ma me si kwa pa da me den ko me da ma hai ana me da be
eden awo dem no di ama hai na wo da he na uni abusuafo uni yire ne ma
open the name me ikrobo ne fekobo ai dodowa ama abusuafo wo mobo ane kakra ase no ano
Mati me pon amefro why okay issues no dey wo ho no mo I mean a lot of issues boboba yes councilor Mamintio
obi feel hopeless and lonely when you been in nkasa obi wa no dey aye nsanom ana said drugs eno so emmoa say areho ne ba wo mu a emfa nsa enka ho nsa ne beka ho ana ewesen case no say the moment obi obenum nsa na so obenum wi ni ade na esa ma adwen nso ebre na edibibi fofo trigger enti emra ase you feel hopeless BBS situation bi ewo ho ema wa feel lonely ema wa feel sad or pain or you have fear emfa drugs enka ho and they also ultimately try say you stay without drugs and alcohol emwa afen so you why was say stay positive.
Now, positive, you will stay. The mind is telling you something different.
That is why you have to tune your mind. say you have control over your mind.
Okay.
Nipa bia ye will control until the opesa adwen no. Echim ko na ho na eko.
Mami fa just one call pen kan ho na ye start the discussion. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Becho, obebo di na do di besi.
Me kasa fra asen south na. Ora me din ma me fancy kakra wo asen da man, asen south.
Ma mintio.
Yo, mo program mo ye na pesa me basu kakra. Yo, em say me titi ensemble na me ebi atumeda. Na de two men no. Nyame nko a nkabi asamre nkamenti ase. Na de ba no ba nsanse me kai ebi mu de because assembly ase besi ena ebi asidada ansana ebi nso ebesi won so because nyankopon bo nipa no enso fe bebre ewom enti utumi hu se bibi besi wo bi so ansana ba won so enti e ba na wo de se nipa no de ndia ye mfato se se nipa hoyi ebi to no no e de ba de na esiye because Bible na me ati ase se o how beba mane beba na so upon that utumi gina ewo okunma de be wi akire nyina be nkunimdie na mum ye wo bi wo ho a ebi na spiritual na spiritual de ne de in fact eno de ya na edin na mum de ye physical no ye enipa na nkasa bibi na ato e na amasa anyoma no aba wadwuma na se eye sade se wan kasa utumi de nyoma bi tutu nyoma bi hu na utumi ankasa ugusa ho question no yi hu ano eno betumi aboa nti nye nsem bebre nso na ye ka edi kire nipa bi wa obeka asema che no no na esa akoton edi ama obi nti esa nso abam hu se won nsem no a okoka kire nipa na wonu hu kura se okoka kire nipa no nti obi tia no oka de opo obi tia no oka na esa na wadwen no na tembia na reteti sa enti enfa asomdie no famro mesem minianu se bibi basa omumfo obi de enti obi de do babru mu kura o babru ma jobu no mu ni ade nsema tototo mu nyina no etimi fa babru mu nsem ni ade atototo obi de ho
yefa frefo ni si ha no mu si na nkai no yema councilor oni omundili why ye ba be sorry so I mean ekwan be na betimi afa so a ebetimi ade ye ho afri nema bi se ho
ya keka bi se abrabono full of challenges amane ne nsɔhwɛ ne dɔɔso abrabom sese kra yɛnhwɛ sɛ the economy na yi aduane kra yɛto adi na edin ntimidi kan sɛ wo hɔ a ɛwɔ sɛ wankasa wo hye wo ho kran stay positive last call yi o kan sɛ bibi ato no ato obi pen ɛnyɛ one first person no matter the situation you have to stay positive. Say, I was seeking for help. Etoda uhia help. Seeking for help doesn't mean you are weak. That's what you say. Seeking for help doesn't mean you are weak, but you are brave.
Last week, Madame Fubi called our challenge, very genuine challenge. I mean, because I'm a mechanic nebewa, but I call the nipa bi hono mo ene ni kodin komo. And then the pakron catch and say, no, so here, I think 4,000. One in the coding come on and the pakron say, Adichia, Omra, Adichi Friday, Omra, or Thursday, Adichi Friday, Omra. Friday or Kohonomo around 12. A year 12.
Yeah.
The pakron are all con Honomo Eba office around 5. Odu office. Yes, a mutre from 12 to 5. What's not Honomo Manebo from 12 to 5. The pakron buyer. Within less than 1 minute, people can be saying, say, Oba me ho, no say, I okay, say, and the memra. What's my busy? You mean to me, any other gem now?
For the hours, that's
just like that. And no tree fast no sound so quiet. Somebody like this. I mean, how strong can this person be?
And see a bit to your home. I say, Nipa, and so be obi wa. Yet me time me funu but emra nipa ne ti ase ni mom no enti yensa your lifestyle no e was say obi approach you say ohia helper just listen na hye ni nkran untimi a na se wo hwe na so obi betimi aboa na na wa direct nipa no se onko me kan se konfa noche doctors bi contact wa ha me de betu dwa se bia wo ho na se wunya saa adwen no se obesa wo hwe wo akonfo you pesa oni obi kasa wo betimi afre Dr. Edunyako on 0277 4415 518 0277 441518 Dr. Edunyako
0277 441518 okay nti obi a wanya saa problem bi a betumi afre doctor
no yeah Dr. Edunyako
okay and obi susu wo ho hia counseling
okay meba ena we nso san yo mo konfanoche wa psychiatric units or mo office line eno so 0577 233 943 0577 233
943
yeah.
Okay na boy obi wo ho hia counseling e bia oda betumi aboa
so my number is 0546 51 10 66 yeah, 0546 51 10 66
Counselor Teresa
and your counseling center no Garden City University College your counseling center is open to the community.
Okay.
And to those around Kenya say yes. Yanjiska free at the moment. Minim say be away forward. Minim say don't be, but for now it is free.
Okay.
For the school and the community.
All right.
To all those around Kenya say if you need to talk to a counselor, you can see me.
All right.
There, yeah.
Okay. Mama Teresa Medawase. For your time, I think say this is worth sharing and abuapa ama yenya a better education about all these things. Na me say as time goes so because we this way. Almost every Friday you deal with social issues, social related issues. And we will talk more about Sanema we send a bear a bit to me enya all these you know what Hanomo say. A better as be.
Saso.
Happy birthday, Eddie Eko, Eddie Aba. Yera Mike Edu. Mike Edu. Very special happy birthday to Yera Mike Edu. Mike Edu, a former GRASC Grassac president, KNUST, and of course NPP of Foricrom, also a member, and of course aspiring to be a member of parliament for Foricrom. Nyamishra Bebre, don't want to friend of Foricrom Messi. Nyame Enshra Bebre. It's a very special happy birthday to you. Okujamai, Mr. Just do it for me. Mike Edu, a very special happy birthday to you. Ira Mike Edu from Archibald 3, Jesse Aqua, LPP communication team. A very special happy birthday to you. Saso and Mebra Paini, Zuba, or say, and ne wife, ne ho kenny, Nana Kunedu Ajiman Buedi, I don't know friend of Docas Dia. Nana Kunedu Ajima Buedi, don't know friend Docas Dia. And I would a very special happy birthday to you, my man. Jakupon Shroud, no yo kese, Okoswa Shroud, no ma yiniche, o ma o enyiniche ahoden ewom, ene sika soso ewom. Nyame koswa entre washemu and expand your territories from grace to grace. Now finally, bosome fra ho apento DAGHS legend no school. All students almost the BD anniversary. Almost 60th anniversary. Into more free all students more apento DAGHS. Apento DAGHS. Bosome fra ho yes, Bosome Freho District, Ghana Education Service. Almost 60th anniversary be baso on the 12th of September. Venue our school premises on more our Apinto yes. Intimisro, but more than all your old students our Apinto Bosome Freho JHSR and DAGHSR. But more than say now be part of this historic moment and these historic activities. That be also to me akoye ede amount. Yes, sorry, so now you for Jumadi no see how to say. On behalf of the entire production team, Obibini Akohene, thank you very much. The Nations Fighter, thank you very much. William Ivansinkum, thank you very much. Nyami Adomo China, Kofi Asad Babet Nasri, Ewa Hano Muse, na Bibia so to me, Akoye, Eddie Amount. Na make so Oko Pharmacy Shop, so Bomodi Asobenya, Danitone, Heba, Mixture, Danitone, Heba, Mixture, Danitone, Heba, Mixture, and a Danitone, Heba, Mixture, Danitone Natural Capsules. And Danny Heba Ultimate, Danny Postra O capsules. Ni na ewo drama so betumi anya biato na bibia so atumi akoye.